Hello, people. Welcome on the live stream of Zibit platform. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for being a part. Let me just connect myself with the Zibit app. Why there is no mail? Okay, the mail came. Nine, nine. Okay, charging. Let's get started with this. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the zbit.com live stream. Now, my name is Yash Pawar and I am a live stream host over here, which will be taking care of your crypto journey from now on for the next 4 hours. In this next 4 hours, you can ask me regarding anything which you want regarding crypto. Is it if it's regarding the Zbit app, you don't know regarding a lot of things, lot of rewards, lot of like the trade, how to trade, which coin to trade, where to trade. Can you give me entry? Can you give me this? Can you tell me about the risk management? Every of those things I can help you with every of those things on this live stream for the next 4 hours. Okay, now Zbit, welcome user 555476. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much. You are from Nigeria. Welcome from the Nigeria. My name is Yash. You can also share me your name as well because there is something which I want to tell you that everybody. Hello, user. Hello, hi. So I want to tell you this one thing, user 55476, that I have made one challenge for all. It's not even challenge, just an activity. Our live stream has a lot of functions. Our live stream has functions of comments. Our live stream has a function of deposit and take a trade. The most active person over here will be getting a free USDT or free reward or free offer. I will pick those top four, top three person who is the most active people on my live stream, and I will be giving them the rewards, like basically the free giveaways which you'll be receiving. Okay, my name is Alim Nasib. Welcome. Welcome, Alim, Nasib. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. And like I said to you, please make sure that you're using every function of the every function of the live stream, and mainly the deposit function, because the more you tap on, like whenever you deposit from the live stream functions, it will be getting registered in my thing over here, and it I will be knowing that you are the most active person over here, which is doing the deposit from the live stream function rather than doing from the home page. Like, see, they both are the same, but if you use the function of the live stream more, the activity will be counted and you will be receiving a free giveaway from my side for very, very short. Okay. Now, and other thing, if you have any issues with Zibit.com, if you have any issues with the crypto, like any coins, you don't know how to trade on it, you don't know what to find, you don't know how to give market analysis or something, you want to know what this coin will do, you want to know what that coin will do in the next day, in the next 2 days, the next 3 days, or whatever it is, please help make sure that you are asking me those questions. Make sure that you are telling me about all those kind of structures where I will be helping you with those coin updates, with this coin market analysis, every of those things. Okay, so make sure to ask. If you don't ask, I won't say, basically. Okay, I will be continuing with my topic, I will be continuing with my whatever I do, and I mainly trade in the BTC, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP, which you can see on my screen over here. These are the coins which is mainly I trade, like BTC, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. Okay, if you want to trade on some other coins as well, please make sure to tell me those things. Okay, and I will be helping you with all those coins as well, like how to find the best entry points, if you can enter for the buy or if you want to enter for the sell, every of those things. And also understand this one thing: when I do a live trade, I am doing it for the future trade, I'm not doing it for the spot trade. So you have to understand these things. Okay, because spot is little expensive for us, obvious, for obvious reasons. Okay, cool. Let's get started with. First of all, let me just want to talk to you with regarding the YouTube people, the YouTube and the Twitter people who are new to this platform. They don't know about this platform, they don't know anything about, like, what is this live, why there's a guy, why there is a trading link, is it an independent channel? No, this is not an independent channel. This channel is regarding the zbit.com, who is offering you a very good path to join the crypto world, to start your crypto journey, so that you can have that one passive source of income which you need to have a financial freedom. Got it? Now, what is Zbit? What Zbit is offering to you? What are those rewards which a new user can have? What you can have? Like, if there is a new person watching me from the YouTube, there is a new person watching me from the Zbit, all of you people, there is always one thing that Zbit always take care of their audience with those big massive rewards. These rewards will not be the small reward. Okay, this reward will be the big massive reward which can help you in the starting, in the first step itself. It can help you achieve the financial goal. Because I will show you something. Wait a second. Let's open the Zbit. Okay. If you click on the sign up thing over here, can you see there are three slides? I will explain you these three slides in right now. Like, these three slides are those slides which can help you achieve a good massive rewards from the zbit.com, and that too, again I'll repeat, that too completely for free of cost. You don't have to pay a single penny for it. Okay, it's completely free. You just have to register yourself. I will be showing you the step-by-step guide for what you can do, what you can have, and every of those things. Okay, welcome user 412161 from India. And yes, for the Indian people and for those people who don't know English, ask me to speak in Hindi, I can speak in Hindi as well. Okay, you don't have to think that this live stream is just on Hindi, sorry, just gonna be in English language. It's not like that. Okay, this live stream is for your thing, for your need, for your comfortness, for your understanding. So make sure to understand in whatsoever language you are comfortable with. I can speak Marathi, I can speak Hindi, and I can speak English. These are the three languages I can opt to if you ask me to speak those language. If you want to understand some concept, if you are not understanding XYZ reward, the terms and the conditions and every of those things, please ask me those things. Then I will be helping you with that thing in that your comfortable language, because understanding is more important than just like watching this live stream. Got it? This live stream is a free feature for all those people who is watching me from the Zbit right now. Okay, so understand this free feature, get a use of this free feature, because there is always like a person on this live stream who is ready to help you, to make you understand the trades, make you understand the crypto world, make you understand how to trade and every of those things. So if there is something offered to you as a reward, which is a free feature in the Zbit app, that is a live stream thing, make sure to get utilize it, make sure to use it, and ask a lot of questions on the comment section. Clear your doubt, get your thoughts cleared, get your everything of those things clear. Like if you don't know how to deposit, ask. If you don't know how to do the withdrawal, ask. If you don't know how to trade, ask. If you don't understand which coin to trade, ask. Okay, you need to ask. If you don't ask for yourself, then who is going to ask for yourself? Your friend is not going to ask for yourself, like he's feeling shy, can you ask him? No, that's thing not going to happen. And at the end, it's just me who you can see. I cannot see you until unless you drop a comment section on a comment on the comment section. Got it? And that is also like, it's just a comment. It's not even like you are there. Okay, so be free, be relaxed, and be attentive, and be sorry, not attractive, be interactive in the comment section. Okay, so it is like I'm talking about your benefit in that. You will be having an utmost benefit in that. Welcome user 140242 from India, and welcome also user anonymous from India. Again, like I said to you, if you are an Indian person, you don't understand English in that proper way, I can slow down my speech, and I can slow down my language, I can slow down the words, and so that you can understand. But if you feel, if you want me to speak Hindi, I can speak Hindi as well. मुझे हिंदी भी आती है, मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ. तो प्लीज अगर आपको कुछ चीजें नहीं समझ में आती है, तो प्लीज मुझे बताइए कि आप ये चीजें इंग्लिश में या हिंदी में समझा दें, मैं समझा दूंगा. हम कॉमन लैंग्वेज इसलिए यूज करते हैं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि बहुत से लोग यहाँ पे जो है. वेलकम यूजर 149655, वेलकम ऑन द लाइव स्ट्रीम. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट. यू आर आल्सो फ्रॉम इंडिया. थैंक यू सो मच, आप यहाँ आए, लाइव स्ट्रीम में पार्ट लिए. ये लाइव स्ट्रीम आप ही के लिए बनी है. आप इसका अगर इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो ये आपका ही वेस्ट हो रहा है. अगर आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में आके अगर आप सवाल नहीं पूछ, अपने डाउट्स क्लियर नहीं कर रहे, ट्रेड से लेके कैसे ट्रेड करते हैं, कौन से कॉइन में ट्रेड करते हैं, मार्केट को एनालिसिस कैसे करते हैं, सही तरीके से समझते कैसे है कि मार्केट में बाय हो रहा है, बाय करना चाहिए, मार्केट में सेल करना चाहिए या वेट करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए. अगर आप ये सारी चीजें यहाँ पे नहीं समझ रहे, तो आप सिर्फ वेस्ट कर रहे हो अपना ही फ्री फीचर, जो सारे जीबीट भाई. 20 USD का रिवॉर्ड जो मिला है, उसको फ्यूचर ट्रेड करके यूज कर सकते हैं. यस, आप कर सकते हो. वो जो 20 USD का जो रिवॉर्ड मिला है, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ फ्यूचर के लिए ही है. आप उसको स्पॉट में यूज नहीं कर सकते. उसके कुछ टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन है, मैं वो आपको बता देता हूँ, नहीं तो फिर आप फिर कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे और आपको वो यूज करना प्रॉपरली आएगा नहीं. ठीक है, उसके टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन कैसे है. अगर आप 20 USDT जैसे आपको रिवॉर्ड मिल गया, जब तक आप वो यूज नहीं कर रहे हो ना, आप कोई डिपॉजिट मत करो अभी तक. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर आपने ना ये 20 USD यूज करने से पहले अगर डिपॉजिट कर लिया, तो ये 20 USD चले जाएगा. ठीक है, ये सबसे पहली चीज, कि जब तक 20 USD यूज ना कर रहे हो, डिपॉजिट मत करो. ठीक है. अब इसको यूज कैसे करते हैं. आप जैसे ही एक आप ऐप खोलोगे, आपको दो ऑप्शन दिखेंगे. ऐप मतलब अगर फोन से यूज कर रहे हो, तो आपको दो ऑप्शन दिखेंगे सामने. एक तो आप ट्रेड लो बीटीसी में, या फिर आप ट्रेड लो इथेरियम में. आपको दो ऑप्शन दिख जाएंगे. आप जब दो ऑप्शन में से एक ऑप्शन को क्लिक करोगे, तो उसके नीचे फिर एक है ना, एक हल्का सा छोटा चार्ट आएगा, एंड उसके नीचे आएगा, एक तो करो बाय या फिर करो सेल. ये दो ऑप्शन आपके पास आ जाएगी. ठीक है. जैसे ही ये दो ऑप्शन आ गए, अब उसके टाइम पे देखो, वो चार्ट जो है ना, फोन में बहुत छोटा दिखेगा, और उसमें समझेगा नहीं कि मेरे को करना क्या चाहिए, क्या मैं बाय करूं या फिर मैं सेल करूं, ये नहीं समझ पाएंगे आप. तो अगर आप कोई दूसरा, जैसे आप लैपटॉप या कोई दूसरे फोन से ना बीटीसी या जो भी आपने क्लिक किया है, उसका चार्ट एक बार देख लो. ये ऐसे यहाँ पे एक सेकंड में दिखाता हूँ. ये ऐसा करके ना एक बार चार्ट देख लो कि ये वाले चार्ट में भी मेरे को करना क्या चाहिए, क्या मैं बाय करूं या फिर मैं सेल करूं. अगर आप अभी यूज करना चाहते हो, तो मेरी राय है कि आप यहाँ पे अगर सेल करोगे, तो आपको प्रॉफिट मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. तो जैसे ही आपने वो बटन पे क्लिक कर दिया, बाय या सेल, जो आपकी मर्जी है, आपने वो सेट कर दिया, उसके बाद में वो ट्रेड हो जाएगा एक्टिव. एंड ये ट्रेड चलेगा कब तक. ये ट्रेड चलेगा सिर्फ 1 घंटे तक. अगर 1 घंटे के पहले आप वो ट्रेड क्लोज करते हो तो भी ठीक है, पर अगर 1 घंटे तक आपने ट्रेड क्लोज नहीं किया तो वो 1 घंटे का टाइम वो मतलब वो काउंट हो जाए 10 9 8 ऐसा चलते रहेगा वो 1 घंटे तक। जैसे ही 1 घंटा पूरा हो गया वो ट्रेड अपने आप ऑटोमेटिक क्लोज हो जाएगा। आप मतलब फिर वो नहीं तो आपको कंफ्यूजन होगा कि यार मैं तो ट्रेड क्लोज किया ही नहीं, ये ट्रेड अपने आप कैसे क्लोज हो गया। इसलिए मैं पहले ही बता दे रहा हूँ कि ये सिर्फ 1 घंटे के लिए ही ऑन रहता है। 1 घंटे के पहले अगर आप विड्रॉ ले लेते हो बेस्ट, अगर नहीं लेते हो तो अपने आप ही वो क्लोज कर देगा। और उस 1 घंटे में आपका जो भी प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, चाहे वो 1 यूएसडी हो, 2 3 4 10 15 यूएसडी, जो भी आपका प्रॉफिट हैगा वो आपको दिखेगा आपके अवेलेबल बैलेंस में, जहां पे आपका अवेलेबल फ्यूचर का अवेलेबल, ये यहाँ पे होता है फ्यूचर का अवेलेबल बैलेंस। मैं दिखाता हूँ कहाँ होता है ये ट्रेड, ये फ्यूचर, ये यहाँ पे होता है अवेलेबल बैलेंस। ठीक है, ये यहाँ पे होता है अवेलेबल बैलेंस। जो भी आप प्रॉफिट लोगे वो यहाँ पे आपका अवेलेबल बैलेंस में यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा। ठीक है, अब इसके बाद में आप सोचेंगे कि यार मेरा वो 20 यूएसडी कहाँ गया। ये 20 यूएसडी जो है ना, ये हम दे रहे हैं, हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट आपके लिए, कि आप पहला जो ट्रेड है वो फ्री ले पाओ और पहला एक्सपीरियंस ग्रैब कर पाओ कि यार क्रिप्टो में ट्रेड करना कैसा होता है। ठीक है, एक एक्सपीरियंस की जैसा हम आपको 20 यूएसडी देते हैं। जैसे ही आपका ट्रेड क्लोज हो जाता है वो जो 20 यूएसडी है वो आपके अकाउंट में नहीं दिखेगा। आपको सिर्फ क्या दिखेगा, सिर्फ आपको जितना भी एक्स वाई जेड प्रॉफिट हुआ है, 1 हुआ, 2 हुआ, 3 हुआ, 4 5 6, जो भी आपको प्रॉफिट हुआ है सिर्फ वही आपके यूएसडी में यहाँ पे दिखेगा। बाकी जो 20 यूएसडी है वो चले जाएगा। ठीक है, तो ये भी एक चीज, अगर आप फिर सोचो कि यार मेरा 20 यूएसडी कहाँ गया, वो यहाँ गया कि वो चले जाएगा अपने आप ही। ठीक है, उसके बाद में अब ये जो प्रॉफिट है ये आपका प्रॉफिट है, कंप्लीट पूरा का पूरा आपका प्रॉफिट है, हमें इसमें से कोई शेयर नहीं चाहिए। ये आप विड्रॉ करो या दूसरे ट्रेड में लगाओ या आपको जो करना है इसके साथ में आप वो कर सकते हो। ठीक, पर अभी अगर मुझे लॉस हुआ तो उसका क्या। अगर आपको कोई भी लॉस होता है, ये 20 यूएसडी का जो ट्रेड आप लगा दोगे उस 1 घंटे में आपको जो भी लॉस होगा वो हमारा लॉस होगा। आपको उस लॉस की कोई भरपाई करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने 20 यूएसडी का ट्रेड लगा दिया, मुझे 5 या 10 या 15 यूएसडी का लॉस हो गया, वो माइनस में चले गए। अब वो है हमारा पैसा, लॉस हम झेलेंगे। आपको लिए उस आपसे कोई पैसा नहीं मांगेगा उस चीज का कि यार आपने लॉस करा दिया, आप हमारा पैसा वापस दो, ऐसा कोई नहीं बोलेगा आपको। ठीक है, आपको बस जो आपका प्रॉफिट है वो यहाँ पे रहेगा, वो जो कंप्लीट पूरा आपके, उस प्रॉफिट में से हमें अपना हमारा हिस्सा भी नहीं चाहिए। वो आपका प्रॉफिट, आप जो करना चाहते कर सकते हो। लॉस होगा तो वो हमारा लॉस है, हम झेल लेंगे उस लॉस को। ठीक है, आपको इस लॉस का कोई पैसा भरना नहीं है। उसके बाद में आप डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो, अगर आपको, अगर समझ, फॉर एग्जांपल आपका बस 1 यूएसडी का प्रॉफिट होता है, एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं मैं, अगर 1 यूएसडी का प्रॉफिट होता है उसके बाद में आप डिपॉजिट करो और फिर ट्रेडिंग चालू कर दो अपनी। दूसरा तीसरा चौथा ट्रेड फ्री नहीं है, सिर्फ पहला ही ट्रेड है जो फ्री है। और ये फिर से बता दे रहा हूं कि 20 यूएसडी यूज करने से पहले डिपॉजिट मत करना। अगर ये 20 यूएसडी का जो ट्रेड है उसको यूज करने से पहले अगर आप डिपॉजिट करते हो तो ये 20 यूएसडी चले जाएगा, गायब हो जाएगा। ये 20 यूएसडी हम देते हैं इसलिए कि यार फॉर एग्जांपल आपको अगर थोड़ा सा ना, थोड़ा डर है कि यार ये क्रिप्टो मार्केट क्या होता है, इसमें मेरा ट्रेड में नुकसान हो गया तो क्या होगा, मेरा पैसा चले गया तो क्या होगा, इस वजह से हमको पहला जो एक्सपीरियंस होता है ना वो हमारी तरफ से देते हैं। अगर आप उसमें पहला ही हमारे वो 20 यूज करने से पहले ही डिपॉजिट कर लेते तो हमें लगता है कि यार इनके पास पैसा है, इनके पास ट्रेडिंग का एक्सपीरियंस है और इन्हें ये फ्री एक्सपीरियंस नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए 20 जो यूएसडी होगा वो चले जाएगा। समझ में आ गया। तो रिवॉर्ड को यूज करने से पहले डिपॉजिट मत करना, बस इतना ही है। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट Zibit. Any or anything. Zibit. Sign up. Okay, so cool. Now, for all those YouTube people and for all those Zibit X platform people who are very new to our platform, who doesn't know anything about this live stream or regarding the Zbit or regarding any of those things, I have 4 to 5 rewards which a Zbit is ready to offer all the new users at right now moment, and which you should be taking advantage of. First reward is the free crypto token which you'll be getting. Now you can clearly see that the first reward itself is such a big reward. It's not a small reward because we are not offering you like some bonus amount that will offer you later. But at the first place itself, we are offering you a crypto token, which is basically crypto coin. See, in stock market as well, there are two things like shares and stocks. Same like that in the crypto market, there are two technical words, which is coin and token. They are like 99% same. It's just like 1% difference, but you don't have to care about that 1% difference. You can consider that crypto token as a coin itself. It will be in your, and it will be like a spot coin. Okay, it won't be like a future coin. It will be like a spot that you are the owner of it. I hope all of the people, welcome user 273538, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. आप चाहते हो कि मैं हिंदी में बात करूं तो मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूं, प्लीज ये बात ध्यान में रखना. Welcome user 420781. Welcome on the live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Okay. Now, like I was explaining to all those YouTube people and all those Twitter people regarding the Zbit. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform which allows you to start your crypto journey and be a part of the trading of the crypto, not of the stocks, not of the indices, not of the commodities, not of the forex. We don't do any of those four things over here. We only and only are related to the crypto trade. This is a crypto exchange platform. You can only trades on digital currency, which is basically our cryptocurrency, not anything else. Got it? Okay. And user 4207881, if you have any doubt, anything, feel free to ask me on the comment section, because if you are not asking any doubt, anything, then what's the point of having a free feature of a cryptocurrency, a free feature of this live stream where an expert is sitting at the camera to help you in any case scenario. Okay, welcome user 856296, again the same thing. Please utilize the live stream functions, do the deposit from the live stream function. You can see it from the bottom. When you see, there is a deposit option and there is a trade option. Okay, I will be giving you live trades as well. All the users listen to this. I will be giving you the live trades. Even yesterday I gave you live trade, day before that I gave you live trade, and every of this one were the profitable ones. Okay, now make sure to take that live trade with me so that you can earn a good amount of profit. But before that, if you don't have a sufficient balance to trade, deposit via the live stream function. In the bottom, that comment section, wherever you type the comment, there are two options like that. There is one is deposit and one is take a trade. Click on that deposit and deposit, because it might take some time. It will take 20, 30, 40 minutes to deposit into your account. Okay, and if I give you trade right now, then you might not be getting that entry. So please make sure that whenever you enter into the live stream, first thing you have to do is deposit. Got it? Cool. Welcome user 149655. Welcome user 427975. All the people are from, one is from Indonesia, rest of the people are from Indonesia. Rest, one is from Indonesia and rest of the people are from India. Okay, cool. So please make sure that you are deposit, because today also I'll be giving you live trades. Market is going good. We are getting a nice momentum to trade. So do not miss this chance to take the trade with me. So please make sure to deposit a good amount, because I can make you earn a good amount. Since 2 days I'm earning a good amount, and I can make you earn as well a good amount. So don't be afraid to deposit in a small amount. Deposit in a big, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, maybe 100 USDT, and let's take a trade, and I can help you earn a very good amount of profit with that. Okay. And also, for all the users who are right now on the live stream, I will be giving free giveaways, which is free USDTs to trade, to do whatever, or the rewards or the offers to all of you people. Okay, but for that you need to be very active on the live stream, like active with the comment sections, active with the deposits, active with the take a trade options. Every functions you need to be having. I will be picking top 3, top 4 people from the live stream, and I will be giving them the free giveaways. Can be again the same 20 USDT bonus I can give, or 30 or 30 or 50, or maybe I don't know how much. That will depend on me. Okay, now, so for the YouTube people and every other people, uh, let me talk with those people for just 20-30 minutes because they need to understand what CBT is regarding. Thank you. You're welcome. Welcome user 391833. Welcome. Thank you so much. But thank you is for what? I will also want to know that. You say thank you, but thank you for what? Yeah, for being, yeah, I will be giving you those things. For that, you must have said thank you. Okay, got it. And welcome user 141997. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. I really want to thank all the people who are coming on this live stream daily, watching me the live stream. I will be picking up the top 3, top 4 people for definitely sure. Okay, got it? Cool. So Zbit is a crypto exchange platform for all. Welcome user 148818, and again welcome user 391833. Welcome on the live stream of. I am new here. I just want to have update. Okay, there are two major update. Actually, you are new. Have you used the 20 USDT bonus till now? Because there are, so I will tell you how many rewards a new user have. One is that you get a free crypto token. Second is that you get 20 USDT bonus for taking a free trade. Third is that there is a new AI quant bot on Zbit which will tell you regarding that latest 1 hour trendy coins which you can trade on. And fourth is that you have all the existing and the new users have a commissions, like commission on based of what, more people you invite on our app, you will be receiving more commissions on that. Okay, so these are the four things. These are the four things which you have as a new user reward. Crypto, free crypto token. Second is a 20 USDT bonus which you receive for taking a free trade. 20 USDT free money we give. Then there is this commission thing, and then there is the last is AI quant bot which will give you the most trendy coins in the Zbit right now, which is the trend in the last hours. Okay, so if you want any detailed for any of those rewards, please tell me. I will help you with understanding those rewards as well. Just comment on the comment section that please tell me about all the rewards. I will tell you regarding all the rewards. And also please share me your name. Like, rather than calling you by user 391833, I would love to call you by your name. My name is Yash and I am a live stream host here. I would love to know your name as well. What is your name? How new you are, like you are just downloaded 2 days ago, 3 days ago, you haven't done deposit, because there are some terms and conditions before using that 20 USDTs bonus. Okay, so if you haven't used that 20 USD bonus, do tell me. I will help you in understanding what are the terms and what are the conditions and those things. Just comment on the comment section that please tell me regarding all the rewards. I will help you with showing you and like sharing you the information regarding all the rewards. Okay, so user 39, my name is Felix. So Felix, if you are a lot new, like you are just a new, you downloaded just today or maybe yesterday, and you don't know regarding any of the rewards, please comment that I want to know regarding all the rewards, and I will be telling you regarding all the 4 rewards which Zbit is offering you right now. Okay, Felix, if you want to know regarding rewards in the detail, how to use it, from where to use it, what shall I do to use it, tell me on the comment section. I will be telling you about regarding all those rewards. Okay, welcome user 862284 from Nigeria. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Now, Felix, waiting for your response. If you want to know, I will share. If you don't ask, then I will think that you know it already. Okay, but as you already said that you are a new person over here, so I am thinking that you don't know about it, and I would love to share you that information with you so that you can take the best experience from this. I just registered it now. I don't know anything about it. Got it. Okay. So I will stay tuned with me, Felix, because I'll be sharing you all the 4 rewards, how to use it, what are the terms and conditions, and every of those things. Got it? Okay. So if you have just registered, first thing which you get is like over here. Can you see the third slide of mine? worth over $1,200 worth of crypto token you can get. Okay, it is a lucky spin in which there will be 8 to 7 crypto coins. If you tap on that spin, it will spin, 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 and it will land on one coin. There are Bitcoin as well, there is Ethereum as well, there is Solana, Dogecoin, Pepe, Shiba Inu, a lot like stable, altcoin, and meme coin are also in that lucky spin. You will get one of those coin for completely free of cost, and that is the first reward. Okay, and it's like a spot, like it's like a spot trade. Like for example, you are the owner of that coin. Okay, it's not like it will go away in 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. No, it will be, you will be the owner of that coin. Got it? After this is the first reward. Understood? Second reward is that you get a free 20 USDT from our side. Why do we give it? We give it to all the new users so that they can understand how the crypto market works, how to trade in the crypto market, how to use the bit for the trading as well. As a first experience, we give that first free trade, that you don't have to invest anything. We will be providing you 20 USDT bonus, which you can take a trade on. Okay, there are some terms and condition on this 20 USDT which you need to know very clearly. Otherwise, that 20 USDT will be gone from your market, and then you will be wondering what went wrong. So, first condition, that if you haven't used that 20 USDT bonus, please do not deposit before that. Okay, until and unless you don't use that 20 USDT bonus, do not deposit. Because if you deposit before using that 20 USDT, that 20 USDT will be gone from the market. Okay, got it? That 20 USD bonus, why it will be gone? Because Zbit will think that you have enough money, you don't need free money, and you don't need free experience if you deposit before that. So do not deposit before using it. Now, in the app, if you are logging from phone, if in the app from the phone, you will watch that they will give you two options. One will be like a BTC trade, or it will be a Ethereum trade, or it might be some other coin as well. There will be two options. Okay, you pick one coin. Once you pick one coin, they will give you small chart, a very small chart of that XYZ coin. Like if I, for example, you click BTC, then they will give you small BTC chart, like see what's happening right now. And if you think that you should go for buy, then go for buy. And if you think you should go for sell, then go for sell. There will be just two options below that chart. One will be buy, one will be sell. The time you click on that option, for example, you clicked on that buy option, your trade is active now. But will it be forever? No. Your trade will be active for 1 hour. The time you click that buy, from that you can count 1 hour in your clock, or you can set a timer, because after 1 hour that trade will be closed. Okay, and if you want to close it before 1 hour, that is also possible. It is not like you cannot close it. You can close it before 1 hour if you want. It is possible. And if you don't close it, automatically after 1 hour it will be closed. Whatever profit you got from it, let's just say that you got a profit of $1, $2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 15, whatever XYZ profit you got, that profit will be shown on your future account. Where is the future account? You can see, when you see the trade, there is this future and spot, right? On the future, if you click, it will be shown over here. This is the available balance which will be shown. This is the available balance. Okay, whatever profit you got from it, 1 USDT, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it is, it will be shown at this point, which you can use for trade, or you can withdraw that as well. It is up to you. If you want to withdraw, you can withdraw, but you cannot withdraw that 20 USDT bonus. That is not your money, that is our money, which we gave as an investment, free investment for first trade. Got it? Now, हाँ है. Welcome user for 427975. And what do you mean by हाँ है? हाँ है means what? So once you deposit, like once you take the trade, that trade is closed, that 20 USDT will be gone from the market. It will not be like, for example, I'll give you Felix, I'll give you one example that you had 20, you put that in the market and you got $5 profit. So it should be what? The investment plus your profit will become 25 USDT, right? But that 20 USDT was never yours. It is our investment. So that 20 USDT will be gone from your account. Only the remaining $5 profit will be shown into your account. If you get $5 profit, got it? Only the profit will be shown. That 20 USD dollar will be gone from the market. Okay. Welcome users 6535344565912. A lot of people, thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Do not forget to tap on the deposit option. Click on the deposit option and do the deposit as much as possible. Okay, I'll be giving you live trades soon. After this, once you did this, this is for the 20 USD bonus. 2 rewards done. What is the third reward? Third reward is this live stream. This live stream is a free feature of a Zbit which helps you to understand crypto market, to understand which coin to trade, to if you want to know like can you just give me trade, I can give you trade as well. If you want to learn trading, I can help you learn trading as well. So this live stream is for you to utilize every of the stuff. This is like an expert sitting in front of you in which he will showcase all his, like provide all his knowledge which you ask only if you ask. So make sure, welcome all the users 266362, users 744845. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. And all the users, let me tell you this one thing. I will be giving free USDT giveaways if you are the most active people on my live stream. You are active on the comment section and you are active on the functions as well, which is using the deposit function and which is using the take a trade function. So if you are the most active people, they are doing like the deposit a lot and the take a trade a lot with me, then and that on the live stream function. I'm not saying deposit like from the home page. No, if you look little down by at the comment, by the comment section, there are two options. One is deposit, one is take a trade, right? If you deposit from that button, then and then only you receive that free giveaway of the USDT from my side for top 3 or top 4 people. Got it? Cool. Now let's understand the fourth reward. The fourth reward is actually a feature again, which is an AI quant bot. Okay, Zbit has launched his own AI quant bot, which will be telling you which coin to trade on. Because see, that's the most common question a lot of people ask, like which coin should I trade in? I don't know which coin to trade in. I don't know which is a trendy coin. I don't know which coin is going for a lot and long time, which is giving a profit to people. You don't know regarding it. Don't worry, because Zbit will take care of you people. AI quant bot will give you the last 1 hour most trendy coins. Last 1 hour most trendy coins for you to take a trade with. Okay. Welcome user 909. Welcome user 9099793 from United Kingdom, Isles of Man, Jersey. All are together. Okay. Welcome users 755400. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Thank you so much. All the people who are joining this live streams. Okay. So, like I said to you all people, this is the fourth reward, that AI quant bot, which will give you last 1 hour the most trendy coins. After that, what is a fifth reward? If you consider now, fifth reward depends on you. The more you do it, the more commission, the more money you will receive it. How? It is a commission referral reward which Zbit has launched right now with a new commission rates. Okay, the more you invite people on our app, for example, you all people have your own unique invite code. Okay, own unique invite code you all people have. Once you have that unique code invite and you share it to your colleague, your friend, your relative, your stranger, whosoever you find, and if you tell them about the ZB tab and ask them to download it, and if they put, they register, you know, register is the very simplest thing, like just country code, email address, password, and can you see this invitation code? This is that invitation code which will be your code. If that XYZ new person puts your invite code over here, you get commission on that. You get free money for that. Can you just imagine? This is what Zbit is offering for all those existing and new users. It's for everybody. Okay, this is not for just you existing people. It's for everybody. Everybody who comes on new on this live stream, they can also take advantage of this scenario where with your invite code you can earn a lot of commission. More people you bring, more commission you get. I will explain you that commission slab once again. See, okay, so this is plus commission. What will be your commission? How much commission can you earn and every of those things? There are levels. There are levels of level 1, level 2, level 3, level and level 4. Okay, every of this level you will be receiving. Welcome user 234102. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Now every of this level your commission will be increased. Now if you have that XYZ, first you have that invite code. Okay, whatever invite code is, I just write X, Y, and Z. Whatever invite code is written over here. Now if you share that to those people who will be newly coming into Zbit and putting it where, putting it here, putting this invite code here is very, very important. If you don't put invite code, then it won't be considered as your invite. So make sure that that XYZ person, whoever you invite, should have your invite code over here. Okay, so if you invite 1 to 4 people on this platform, like you from your invite code, 1 to 4 people have registered, have opened their account, you will be receiving 20% of commission. First commission starts from 20%, not from 10, not from 5. It will start from 20% of the commission. Okay, now the next thing, if you invite like 5 to 9 people on the Zbit app, again via the same invite code, I'm repeating again and again, invite code is very, 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 very important. Once you have this, once you invite 5 to 9 people, you will be getting 30% of commission from zbit.com. And if you invite 3, like on the level 3, if you invite more than 10 to 29 people, 10 to 29 people if you invite, you will be receiving 40% of commission. Can you just imagine, just by telling XYZ person to come on our platform and join the Zbit, which is offering you a chance to achieve financial freedom as well. So it's not for a lost cause, it's for a greater cause. Okay, welcome user 796613 and welcome user Ogender, Gander, I don't know. OG, no. Ogender, I guess your name is Ogender. Okay, welcome Ogender on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your word wrong. It's very new name for me. It's O and Gain and Dar. Ogender. Okay, so again coming back to our commission things, if you invite 1 to 4 people, 20% of commission. If you invite 5 to 9 people, 30% of commission. If you invite 10 to 29 people, 40% of commission you receive. But if you invite more than 4 people, more than 30, sorry, in level 4, if you invite 30, and then it will go infinity, whatever, 30 or whatever, it won't be like this is the last level for you to have anything. Okay, if you invite 30 or more people, you will be receiving final The 50% of commission. These are not a small commission. Trust me, you can gain a lot of good money from this. By doing, did you take a trade anything? No. Did you took any risk? No. What you did is just invite people on a platform. That is just from sharing your invite code, telling them to put it over here. That's all. That's all. Nothing else. That's all you have to do. This you have to just share the invite code. Tell them to put over here. The more people you invite, the more commission will be increasing of yours. Welcome user 6765153. Welcome user 193726. Welcome user 916649. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Okay, now this is the final reward which I talked about. These are the all the Zbits reward which we are offering to all of those people, and these are not at all the small reward. Getting the free crypto token itself is the one of the biggest reward, because that crypto token can be worth over $1,200. You have a chance to own a Bitcoin, you have a chance to own Ethereum, and you have a chance to own Solana as well. So then why wait for that? Why not be that lucky person who can win a BTC, who can win an Ethereum, or who can win a Solana? Okay, now for all those people again, most of the general people gets meme coin. I get it. That most of the general people are getting Ethereum. Oh, sorry, not Ethereum, meme coins. But like I said to you, 1 in 500, that one person will be receiving Bitcoin. Obviously, we cannot provide a lot people BTC, because again, we will go bankruptcy. So we have to pick the most luckiest person for the BTC. Okay. So for that, maybe 1 in 500 or 2 to 3 in 500 for Ethereum, 1 in 500 for Bitcoin, 2 to 3 for Ethereum, and 10 to 9 for Solana. You will be receiving that thing. Okay. So have a chance, take a chance, and be in that one position where you can be the luckiest person to receive a BTC directly to your account. Now, what about that BTC, or what about that Ethereum, whatever token you are receiving? That is completely your money, your token, your coin. You want to trade, you want to convert, you want to use it for some other thing, you use it for some other thing. That is completely totally okay. There is no such issues in like what should I do with it? Do I have restriction, or do I don't have restriction? There is no restrictions. You are the owner to go crazy whatever you want to do it. Okay, now all those rewards of the Zbit is explained. Okay, so then don't not wait for like still not coming to the Zbit platform. Do not wait for that movement. Come to the live stream platform, learn regarding trading, because this is the one of the best feature you will be having on the live stream. Like learning regarding trading in whatsoever aspect. If you want to know trade, learn trade. You want to know trading, learn trading. Whatever it is, come on this platform and know that things. Okay. And Ogendra, hello. Can you tell me your real name? Is it really Ogendra is your real name? Like for legit thing. I wanna know, because this is one of a kind. If it's an Ogendra, then this is a one of a kind name you are having. It's O and Gain and the Ogendra. It's a very nice name. I'm appreciating this. A very new name. I never heard about Ogendra before. So Ogendra, if you are listening to me, is this your real name? I just want to confirm it with you. Come on. Be most active people, and I will give you free USD as well. So Ogendra, is it your real name? I want to know. I want to know. I want to for very sure know if it's your real name or not. Welcome user 3918833 Felix. Welcome Felix back again. Welcome Pradeep. Welcome Pradeep as well. Welcome Pradeep on the live stream of the Zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Now, Ogendra, you don't want to speak? Come on, brother. Come on. One text that yes, my name is Ogendra. I'll be happy with that text. Welcome user 462584. Welcome on the live stream. Ogendra, I'm still waiting for you. Come on. Just watching is not gonna help you anything. Okay, Ogendra, I really want to know if Ogendra is actually your real name. Okay, my name is Yash. I can say my name. My name is Yash. So please, Ogendra, I want to know your name. I really, really want to know your name. I'm talking to that person who is having a user ID of 10202684 with the name of Ogendra. So, Ogendra, come on the comment section below. The comment section is waiting for you. The comment section is waiting for the confirmation if it's really your name, or if it's just like you have made a pun out of it, like with a gain, like a BTC gain, trading gain, and there and again there, something like that. Ogender left. Welcome user 282210. Welcome user on this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Thank you so much. Now, all the people, this was the commission thing. I hope you have understood every of those commission things, every of those rewards of the Zbit, whatever Zbit is offering to all of you people. Got it? Let's get started with it. Let me just delete everything. Let me log into my account so that I can explain you regarding Zbit as well, or inside the Zbit thing. I will show you how to do future trade. I will show you how to take a spot trade and every of those things. Just give me one moment. Welcome user 126263. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Verification. Three, zero, six. Okay. I don't like this much. Super chart. Okay, so this is the whole interface of. Okay, you cannot see it. Sorry. I thought you can see it. Okay, now can you see it? It will be available right there. Right. Okay. Now you can see the whole Zbit platform on my screen. This is how it will look for the future trade. See, I will give you overview about all the Zbit things, where is what is happening, and blah blah blah. So at the first place, this is the normal zbit.com where you will see all the like overview of everything. You can see the future guide as well, beginner's guide, how to trade digital currency asset, how to deposit, how to protect the trade profit, how to protect asset profit, and blah blah blah. There is a beginner guides over there, and you can download it, the Zbit app, from iOS as well. Really? For iOS is available? Let me see. It was not available for iOS before. How? It came. Yes, it came. I can download now. Yeah, now it's available for iOS people as well. Nice. Nice. It is available for iOS people again. Now, cool. That is a good thing. After that, if you click on this market thing, then you will see all the market coins over here. You will see every of those coins. You can pick your favorites as well. It's basically making your portfolio. Like you can make those coins which you want. No, sorry, not portfolio. You can make your own watch list. Welcome user 309482. Welcome to the live stream. I'm explaining you the Zbit app, how to trade on future, what are the future trades option, and every other things. I'm explaining you everything of the Zbit right now. So if you are a new user, if you have difficulty in understanding it, this is your chance to know Zbit in the most precise manner, in the most simplest manner. Okay. Now, when you come on the market, it will give you some overviews of BTC, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin. There are major coins. And after that, there are these options as well. Okay. You have favorites in which you can make your own watch list. Those coin, only those coin which you want to watch. In the favorite there are spot and the future as well. This is the future, this is the spot. You can pick your own favorite, or you can just pick on the spot and this will be all the coins which are right now trading on the spot, and future will be all those coins which are right now trading on the future. Out of those, if you just click on the star option, it will be in your favorite and it will show in that favorite rate. Okay, got it? Cool. This is for the market overview. After that, there comes trade, where you have to take the trade. There will be two options. One is a future, second one is a spot. One is future, second one is spot. Spot, I hope you know, understand the difference between future market and difference between spot market. If you don't know the difference between future and spot market, ask me in the comment section. I will help you to understand what do you mean by spot market and what do you mean by future market. User 309482, do you have any difficulty, or do you want to know what is spot market and what is future market, like a difference between both of the market? Do you understand it? Welcome back again, Ogendra. Welcome back again, Ogendra. Thank you so much for joining it. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. So, all the people who are watching me on the live stream, I'm explaining you, I'm asking you a question. Do you know regarding this? Do you know what is future? Do you know what is spot? Any of those options? If you don't know what is future trade, what is spot trade, I will explain it to you. So, do you know it? What is spot? Do you know what is a future trade? I will wait for the comment. Kendra, do you know about what is future or do you know about spot? If you don't know, I will help you to understand what are those. What is future market means? What happens in the future market? What happens in a spot market? Why they are two different things? If you know regarding it, then say I know in the comment section. If you don't know regarding that, then say I don't know in the comment section, and I will help you to understand what is a future market and what is a spot market. Ogendra, come on, let's go. This is your chance to know regarding the future market if you don't know, and this is your chance to know regarding spot market if you don't know regarding that. Welcome user 884920 from India. Welcome, welcome. Why people do. Okay, so continuing with the options, just options. There are two types of trades you see. If you are not asking the comment section, then I will feel that you know it already, that you know this thing, like what is future, what is spot already. Welcome user 157419. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. You are from India. And yes, अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं हिंदी में बात करूं तो मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है। ऐसा नहीं है कि ये लाइव स्ट्रीम पूरा ही पूरा इंग्लिश में होता है, ये लाइव स्ट्रीम हिंदी में भी होता है। अगर आपको चीजें नहीं समझ में आ रही है तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएं, अदरवाइज आई विल कंटिन्यू स्पीकिंग इन द इंग्लिश इटसेल्फ इफ यू डोंट टेल मी टू डू, because I can see like a lot of people, Indian people, they just come and they go, they come and they go. I don't understand the reason why they don't stay. Okay, cool. Now, for future trade, let's understand future trade first. How to trade on the future, because that is more difficult. Spot is very simple. You just have two options. You either buy or either sell. But in the future, there are lots of other options which I want you to understand those options. Okay. First option is the margin mode. Now, the BTC is not for like a BTC special for BTC's margin mode is for every of those coins. We have two margin mode. One is a cross margin, one is isolated margin. Now, what do you mean by cross and what do you mean by isolated? Welcome user 220773. Welcome on the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Welcome user 528610. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Make sure to do the deposit. Make sure that you are, everybody of this people are clicking on the deposit option. Okay. make sure. Let me just wait 1 minute. I am downloading a ZBit app. I want to download that ZBit app. Okay, now let's understand the margin modes. What are the margin modes in the cross? One is cross, one is isolated. Okay, so cross, I will make you understand what the cross means. Cross margin. For example, let's say that you have available balance of 10 USDT. Okay, this is your available balance of 10 USDT, and from which you want to take a trade. Okay, this is your available balance, and you are using which margin mode? You are using a cross margin mode. Now what is going to happen? For example, let's divide, like for example, let's say you invested 5 USDT from this in XYZ coin, whatever coin is. This is your investment, INV, investment. Remaining balance will be available, it will be showcased over here. This is your remaining balance, which is 5. Available balance, the remaining current one will be 5, because 5 is gone where? It is gone in your 5 investment, the USDT investment which you did in XYZ coin. Now the remaining is 5. For example, let's say there are two situation arises. One situation, this is the point where you entered in the market, and let's say you entered for the buy situation. Now if you entered for the buy situation and this is the place with your entry, it can be anything. Let's just example, like you entered at 99k for BTC. 99k price is your entry point for the BTC. Whenever the market price will go above, it will show in +1, +2, +3, +4, +5 USDT. You will be started seeing the profit in plus this, plus that, plus this, plus that. Okay, now at the same time, if you take a buy entry and the market goes below your entry point, it will show what? Minus, 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 minus. Understood? Now I want to explain the cross margin by making you understand what happens when you lose this money. Okay, because if you gain profit, this margin mode is not going to help you in any case scenario. These margin modes are to save or to destroy your balance in the term of loss only. So let me explain the loss situation. If you are having minus, you invested what? 5 USDT. This is your 5 USDT here invested. From here it went down -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Now the time you hit the -5 USDT, what is happening? Whatever your investment was there, it is gone from the market, right? Your investment of 5 USDT was there, and now it is gone from the market. You don't have that 5 USDT investment. But you will notice this one thing, that still this, if the market is still falling down, still even after the 5 USDT, if the market is still falling down, you will see that you will watch like this, like -6, -7, -8, -9, like so on and so on and so on. Now you will be having a question that from this point my trade should be closed. Why? Because welcome user 418184 from India, welcome. If you are an Indian, you don't understand Hindi, tell me, I can speak in Hindi as well. Okay, so once you click, and I am explaining you regarding the margin mode and the features of the whole ZBit, like what is margin mode, what are the, how to do the future trade, how to do the future perpetual contract trade, and every of those things. Okay, now in this scenario, once you hit the -5, once you hit that -5, your trade should be closed. According to a general thing, whatever investment you have put, that should be gone from the market, and it is gone from the market, which is -5 has hit, -5 was investment, -5 is hit in the loss, my trade should be closed. But is my trade closed? No, my trade is still active. How? Now if you use the cross margin will do what? Whatever available balance you have, remaining available balance, before you had 10, you put 5 as investment, remaining was 5. Now -6 will be used from here. If here it becomes -6, available balance will be 4. When it hits -7, available balance 3, -8 2, -9 available balance is just 1, and once every minus 10 is hit, now it will be 0. Your available balance will be completely 0 and you have lost all of your money because you picked the cross margin. Now, cross margin at some point is useful and most of the time useless. I will tell you at most of the, like, some time by it's useful and most of the time is useless because of the volatility of the market. You have understood this one thing, like either market will be falling a lot, going up a lot, or it will be just not doing any movement. That is basically sideways market of ours. Welcome user 558545. Welcome on this live stream. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Now, when you pick the cross margin, how it is useful. For example, let's say you lost 5 USDT. Whatever investment is gone from the market, you lost it. Now, crypto market is a very uncertain market, very uncertain. Like for example, market fall down, tap to the 5 minus, you will feel like I should close my trade because my investment is gone. And what if you didn't close the trade, you have a cross margin, it went to -6, -7, and this -7 was actually that zone of a demand from where the market again jumped up and gave you good amount of profit. In this case scenario, the cross margin is used a lot. So, like, even if it falls down from your investment plan, and rather than going and exiting from this trade, you can still be active on the trade by using your available balance over here. But there is always a risk, because what if it never takes a rejection? What if there is no zone of a demand? What if there is nothing over there which can give the market an upward push? Then you are just losing your extra money over here. That's why the useful case of cross margin is like the reversal. What if the market reverse at one point, even after going below your investment thing, and from that moment again it can go up. Now, just because of -1, just because of 1 USDT, you will lose your 5. But if you keep the cross margin, you can lose extra 1. But from that moment, some afterward, the market can go complete upward, a rejection from a zone, and which can give you profit as well. Okay, you understood the cross margin? Good. Now let's understand the next margin of R, which is called as isolated margin. Isolated margin. I give you example of just buy. You can take the similar example of sell as well. For example, you do sell over here. This is a sell trade. Whatever goes above is your minus. Whatever falls down is your plus. So same thing, more minus than your investment will be coming from your available balance. That's all. Okay, this is a cross margin. This is how you understand a cross margin. Now, what do you mean by isolated margin? What do you mean by isolated margin? Okay. Now, next margin mode of InZBit is isolated margin. What do you mean by isolated margin? Isolated. Isolated margin is basically opposite of the cross margin. For example, if you have available balance of 10, okay, let's take an example that you have an available balance of 10. This is the 10 available balance over here. After that point, again the same thing you did, you take the 5 USDT as your investment. This is your investment, and the remaining balance over here will be 5. Now, in this case scenario, let's understand the same scenario. This is your entry point where you entered in the market, and let's say you entered for the buy side. From here, whatever goes up is your plus. Whatever goes minus from here, the market goes minus from it will be minus. If the market goes below your entry point, it will be showing the loss. That is minus this, minus that, minus this, minus that. Got it? Now, understand this one thing very clearly, If you have invested 5, max it can go till what? 1 minus 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once it hit the 5 USDT minus, your investment is gone. It will not use the available balance because it is isolated. Isolated will prevent the market from sucking up your money. Welcome on the live stream, Arneet. Welcome on the live stream, user 806231. The more you do the deposit, use the function of the live stream function, the more free chance of getting the USDT from my side will be there. Okay. I hope you understand. Now, let's just understand isolate. So isolate completely simple, opposite of the, where is it? Opposite of the cross margin, isolate will not allow the available balance to be used after your investment is gone. It will keep your investment safe. So if you don't have an understanding of a crypto market that good, always make sure that your isolated margin is active, not the cross one. Cross margin should not be active if you don't have a very good, a very better understanding of the market. If you have understanding of isolated market, don't have understanding of cross margin, then don't use only isolated. See, this is isolated, and whatever active I'm saying, whatever active margin will be, it will showcase over here. Right now, can you see isolated? That means isolated margin is active. Got it? If you put cross over here, switch to cross mode, then you can clearly see now cross is written over here. So whatever is written over here is that margin which is active right now. So you can know as well which margin is active for you. Is it the cross or is it the isolated? Always switch to isolated. It will show you. It will help you increase your keep you sorry not increase. It will help you keep your money safe. Again, welcome Ugendra. Welcome Ugendra on the live stream again. You are not at all interested in talking to live stream. I can give you free USDT if you comment right now. Be a most active person and gain a chance to win a free USDT, Ugendra. And is your really name Ugendra? I want to know that as well. Come on, one comment. One comment you can put. It's not hard to type. It is very easy for you to use the keyboard which you use. Ugendra, I want to know. Come on, one comment from Ugendra. One comment. One comment you can put from the Ugendra. I can achieve one comment for live stream. Let's go, Ugendra. Hi, let's go. Yes, that's it. Hi, Yogendra. I'm happy that you typed H and I. That's again sufficient for me. But Yogendra, be active on the live stream. You may get a chance to win a free USDT. And is your really name Yogendra? I want to know it because it's a very like new name. I've heard about a lot of Punjabi names, but Yogendra sounds very like a made up name for trader, like a trader kind of name because it's a gain in there. Is your real name Ogender? Hi, Ogender. Hi. I'm understanding you're saying hi, but I'm asking you is what is your real name? Is your real name Ogender Singh? Is your real name? Damn, your name is Ogender. Like it's like I'm saying you can see that in your name there is a BTC gain, like a trader have gain. Is this O and there is a gain which is representing the trade gain and loss, and then there is the done. Okay, the common one. So you have this thing already and you are trader. So it's like the name was made, like your name was given you to do the trading itself. It's such a nice name to have for a trader. Oh, gainer, like you are always in the gain of the market or something like that. Nice name, brother. Nice name. Oh, gainer. Okay, now, thank you so much, Ogender, for replying on the comments. I really appreciate. Happy to hear your name as well. Now, let's understand the next thing. First, we understood the first thing, which is the margin mode. Margin mode and Ogender, if you don't understand English, if you are having a difficulty in understanding English, please tell me. I can speak in Hindi as well. Okay, you don't have to worry about the language. Now, But if you don't say, then I'll continue English only. So now, again, like I said to you, the second option we'll be exploring is this. What is it? This is called as leverage. Leverage is not a fake money. It is actually the real money which you are borrowing from us, like our funds, or you're borrowing from some other broker who is ready to provide you the rest of investment so that you can take a bigger trade rather than taking no English. No, Ogender, you said no English. Does that mean that I should not speak English or I should speak English? Just say Hindi, just comment Hindi if you want me to speak in Hindi. That's all. If you want to speak me in English, just comment English. If you want to speak me in Hindi, just comment Hindi. That's all. ₹119 कहाँ भेजे हैं ओगेंद्र जी? ₹119 का क्या मतलब, ये कि क्या है ये ओगेंद्र जी? 119 rupees. What do you mean by 119 rupees? Can you explain this? 119 rupees. And welcome user 592455 on the live stream of the zb.com. Thank you so much for joining in. मेरे को हिंदी आता है, मेरी हिंदी तुम समझ नहीं। मेरे को हिंदी आता है, ओके। मेरी इंग्लिश तुम समझ नहीं आता है। हिंदी, यस सर, ओके। लेस मैं क्या कर रहा हूं यहाँ पे अभी अभी जो नए नए यूजर होते हैं ना जीबिट पे, हिंदी है सर, ओके ओके। लेट्स गो इन हिंदी, लेट्स स्टार्ट, लेट्स आई विल एक्सप्लेन। लाइक मैं सारी चीजें हिंदी में समझाता हूँ, ठीक है। मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ कि ये जो जीबिट है उसमें फ्यूचर ट्रेड कैसे लेते हैं, ये सारे जो फीचर है, ये आइसोलेटेड, ये उसका, फिर ये लेवरेज, फिर उसके बाद ये लिमिट ऑर्डर क्या होता है, मार्केट ऑर्डर क्या होता है, ट्रिगर ऑर्डर क्या होता है, ये सारे ऑप्शन का मतलब क्या होता है और उसे यूज कैसे करते हैं, मैं ये चीजें समझा रहा हूं आपको, ठीक है। सबसे पहले मैंने समझाया मार्जिन मोड क्या होता है। मार्जिन मोड क्या होता है? बेसिकली क्या मुझे अपना पैसा बचा के रखना है या फिर क्या मुझे अपना पैसा बर्बाद करना है, ये दो ही ऑप्शन होते हैं। एक होता है क्रॉस, जो आपकी मदद करता है कि मैं अपना पैसा कितने जल्दी गवा सकता हूं। क्यों, इसमें कैसा होता है मैं बताता हूं, ठीक है। क्रॉस मतलब अगर मैंने क्रॉस मार्जिन यूज किया, ठीक है, क्रॉस, ठीक है यार, मेरी हैंडराइटिंग थोड़ी गलत है पर ठीक है, ठीक है। अगर मैंने क्रॉस मार्जिन यूज किया, तो अगर मैं क्रॉस मार्जिन यूज करता हूं तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मेरे पास बैलेंस, मेरा बैलेंस कितना है? मेरा बैलेंस है 10 यूएसडीटी है मेरे अकाउंट के अंदर, ठीक है। अब अगर मेरे अकाउंट के अंदर 10 है, मैंने इसमें से लगा दिया कि मेरे के 5 मैं लगा देता हूं मार्केट के अंदर ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए। मैंने 5 लगा दिया मार्केट पे। अब 10 में से 5 गया, 5 बचा, 5 बचा कहां गया? ये मेरा बैलेंस है, जो मेरा बैलेंस सेफ है, ये मेरा बैलेंस बच गया सेफ, ये यहां पे आ गया। 10 गया इन्वेस्टमेंट में, ये मैंने यहां पे लिख दिया इन्वेस्टमेंट, जो मैंने इन्वेस्ट कर दिया मार्केट के अंदर, ठीक है। अब मार्केट के अंदर मैंने इन्वेस्ट कर दिया 5 और मेरा बच गया 5। अब ऐसा होता है बहुत बार कि ये मेरी हो गया एंट्री पॉइंट, समझ लो, एक बात समझ के चलते कि ये हो गई मेरी एंट्री पॉइंट, ठीक है। अब इस एंट्री पॉइंट पे अगर मैं लेता हूं बाय का ट्रेड, फॉर एग्जांपल मेरी बाय की ट्रेड चालू है, एक एग्जांपल बोल रहा हूं, अगर मेरी बाय की ट्रेड चालू है, यहां से मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा तो मेरे को प्रॉफिट होगा, यहां से मार्केट नीचे जाएगा तो मेरे को लॉस होगा, क्योंकि मेरी बाय की ट्रेड लगी है। जितना मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा मेरे को प्रॉफिट, जितना मार्केट गिरेगा उतना मेरे को लॉस, ठीक है। अब इसमें मेरे को ज्यादा से ज्यादा कितना लॉस हो सकता है? 5, क्योंकि उतना ही मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट है, सही बात है, जितना मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट है उतना ही मेरे को लॉस होना चाहिए। बट ये क्रॉस मार्जिन क्या करता है ना, कि समझो तुम्हारा 5 यूएसडी यहाँ पे चले गया, जितना इन्वेस्टमेंट किया वो सारा का सारा चले गया, पर फिर भी ये फिर भी -6, -7, -8 ऐसे दिखाते रहेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि ये क्या कर रहा है, जितना मार्केट और नीचे गिर रहा है ना, ये यहां का बैलेंस यूज कर रहा है। ये तुम्हारा जो बचा हुआ 5 था ना, ये क्रॉस क्या करता है, ये बचा हुआ 5 यूज करता है कि तुम्हें ट्रेड में एक्टिव रखने के लिए ये तुम्हारा जो अवेलेबल बैलेंस है ये पूरा खा जाता है। जितना जितना मार्केट गिरेगा उतना उतना ये माइनस माइनस होते चले जाएगा। -6, -7, 8, 9, 10, तुम्हारे पास कितना था? 10, -10 हो गया, ट्रेड हो गई क्लोज, क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास पैसा ही नहीं बचा ट्रेड रखने के लिए, समझ गए। इसीलिए क्रॉस मार्जिन कभी यूज मत करो। इससे क्या होगा कि अगर तुमने इन्वेस्टमेंट दे भी दी, तुम्हारा 2 USD का तुमने ट्रेड ले लिया, तुम्हें -2 के बाद -3 दिखेगा, ये तुम्हारा जो 1 USD एक्स्ट्रा है वो यहां से यूज हो रहा है तुम्हारे अवेलेबल बैलेंस से। तो ये क्रॉस मार्जिन से बहुत बाहर ऐसा होता है, क्योंकि मार्केट जब गिरती है तो एकदम कट 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 सीधा नीचे गिरती है। ठीक है, वो रुक रुक के नहीं गिरती कि पहले रुकेंगी, फिर वो आपको बताएंगे कि मैं गिर रही हूँ, फिर गिरेगी, फिर आपको बताएंगे मैं गिर रही हूँ, फिर ऐसा नहीं होता है। ठीक है, वो गिरती है तो गिरती ही रहती है, फिर उसको सिर्फ देखना पड़ता है कि यार क्या तो गिर रही है, मतलब क्या ही गिर रही है ये मार्केट, ऐसा हो जाता है। तो उसमें ये बैलेंस जो आपका बचा हुआ है वो चले जाता है। तो ये बैलेंस बचाने के लिए हमेशा एक चीज याद रखना कि मार्जिन मोड में हमेशा आइसोलेटेड ही रखना, आइसोलेटेड। ठीक है, और मार्केट में मार्जिन कौन सा मेरा चालू है, मतलब कौन सा मार्केट मेरा मार्जिन लगा हुआ है वो यहां दिखता है। अगर यहां आइसोलेटेड लिखा हुआ है मतलब मार्जिन में आइसोलेटेड लगा हुआ है। अगर यहां पे मैंने इसको क्रॉस कर दिया और यहां पे क्रॉस दिख रहा है मतलब मेरा क्रॉस मार्जिन लगा हुआ है। ठीक है, क्रॉस मार्जिन यूज मत करो, क्योंकि वो आपका अवेलेबल बैलेंस खाता है, यहां पे वो कर देगा 0 और फिर हो जाओ, फिर आपको वापस कि आपका मेरा सारा पैसा चल गया, जो बचा हुआ था वो भी चले गया, जो इन्वेस्टमेंट था वो भी चले गया। तो इसलिए हमेशा आइसोलेटेड मार्जिन करो, क्योंकि आइसोलेट में क्या करेगा वो कि जितना मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट है उतना अगर मेरे को लॉस हो गया तो बस वहीं पे ट्रेड हो जाएंगी क्लोज, मेरी ट्रेड क्लोज हो गई वहीं पे। उसके बाद ये मेरा जो अवेलेबल बैलेंस है पूरा सेफ है, पूरा सेफ मेरे को दूसरा ट्रेड लेने के लिए। ठीक है, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि यहाँ पे ये मेरा बैलेंस यूज करेगा, क्योंकि मेरा आइसोलेटेड वाला मैंने मार्जिन लगाया हुआ। क्रॉस यूज करेगा, आइसोलेटेड नहीं करेगा, सिंपल। ठीक है, अब इसके बाद हम समझते हैं लेवरेज। अभी लेवरेज क्या होता है, ये मार्केट में बहुत बार सुना होगा यार तुम लेवरेज लो बड़ा ट्रेड मिलता है। ये बड़ा ट्रेड कैसे मिलता है, कोई बट रहा है कहीं पे? नहीं बट रहा है कहीं। ये मार्केट में तुम बड़ा ट्रेड लगा रहे हो, ये क्या गलत मनी है, फेक मनी है, कि मतलब तुमने लगाया 10 USD फिर भी तुम ले रहे हो 100 USD का ट्रेड, कैसे ले पा रहे हो? कोई वहां पे बैठा है तुम्हारे लिए? हाँ, ये जो लेवरेज है ना, ये क्या होता है बेसिकली कि तुमने लगाया 100, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे अपन ने कॉन्ट्री करते हैं, अपन चलो समझ के कि आज मेरे को पीना है, आज मैं बार में जाना चाहता हूं, मैं बार में जाना चाहता हूं, मेरे पास में सिर्फ 100 रुपए है, मेरे दोस्त के पास 900 रुपए है, हमने दोनों ने मिलकर 100 और 900 मिलकर हम दोनों ने मिलकर 1000 का बियर या जो भी हमने खरीद लिया। ठीक है, अब मेरा शेयर कितना है उसमें से? 100 का। मेरे दोस्त का शेयर कितना है उसमें से? 900 का। एग्जैक्टली ऐसा ही सेम होता है लेवरेज में, कि मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं 1000 का खरीदना चाहता हूं पर मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, मैंने क्या किया, किसी से उधार ले लिया। ये लेवरेज वही होता है कि आपके पास पैसा नहीं है पर आप फिर भी दूसरे से पैसा उठा के एक बड़ा ट्रेड ले सकते हो। समझ में आ गई बात? ठीक है, ये बड़ा ट्रेड ले सकते हो आप दूसरे से लेके। अब ये होता है लेवरेज 125x तक। बीटीसी हर कॉइन का अपना अलग अलग होता है, आप थोड़ा एक्सआरपी का देखो तो एक्सआरपी का मैक्स 75 होगा, इथेरियम का 125 है, बीटीसी का 125 है, पर कोई कोई कॉइन का सिर्फ 75 ही है। ठीक है, कोई कोई कॉइन की, सबका नहीं। अब ये जब भी आप जितना लेवरेज बढ़ाओगे उतना आपका वो बढ़ रहा है, मतलब 75x बोले तो सीधा सीधा क्या हो गया कि अगर आपने ले लिया है, एक सेकंड, अगर आपने ले लिया है 10 में, आपके पास है 10 USD, आप इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हो 10, आपने लिया 75x का लेवरेज, मतलब क्या होगा सीधा सीधा कि 10 × 75 कितना हो गया, ये 750 USDT का ट्रेड ले लिया आपने। 750 बड़ा ट्रेड, बड़ा ट्रेड ले लिया। जहां आप 10 USD का ट्रेड लेके छोटा छोटा प्रॉफिट 0.1 0.2 USD का प्रॉफिट ले सकते थे, वहां पे आपने 750 USD का ट्रेड लेके आप यहां पे आराम से 20 30 40 या फिर 50 USD का आप प्रॉफिट कमा सकते हो बड़े आराम से। जितना आप बड़ा ट्रेड लगाओगे उतना ही आपको बड़ा प्रॉफिट मिलेगा बेसिकली। बट ये लेवरेज क्या होता है ना कि लेवरेज में मार्केट उतना ही जल्दी गिरने के चांसेस भी ज्यादा होते हैं। अभी जैसा कैसे हो गया कि ये आपने एक एंट्री ले लिया यहां पे, ठीक है, आपका लगा हुआ है 750 यूएसडीटी का ट्रेड लगा हुआ है, क्योंकि आपने लिया है 75x का लेवरेज, आपने लगाया है सिर्फ 10 यूएसडीटी। ठीक है, ये मार्केट चालू हो गया, चालू हो गया, चालू हो गया। अब इसमें जैसे ये माइनस में चले गया, ये माइनस भी उतना ही तेजी से जाता है जितना ही उतनी तेजी से ये प्लस होता है। ये प्लस आपको दिखेगा एकदम से प्लस 10 यूएसडी 20 30 40, और माइनस भी उसी तरीके से दिखता है कि ये -10 हो गया, -20 हो गया, -30 हो गया। 5 मिनट में पूरा मार्केट खत्म और आप मार्केट से बाहर। समझ में आ गया? तो लेवरेज जितना कम यूज करो उतना अच्छा है, मतलब ज्यादा इतना मतलब ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है। ग्रीड, लालच, ज्यादा लालच अच्छा नहीं है। 10 यूज करो, 10 यूजिटी अच्छा होता है, मतलब 10 ठीक है। 10 अपना लेवरेज, जैसे हो गया कि अब मैंने 10 ले लिया, 10 मैंने ले लिया, अब मैंने 10 का लेवरेज लगा लिया, तो मेरे को 100 यूएसडी का मैं ट्रेड ले लेता हूँ। 100 यूएसडी ठीक है, 100 ठीक है। 10 10 15 20 ये इतना ही लो। अगर आप नए लोग हो, आपको नहीं समझता है लेवरेज कितना लेना चाहिए, मेरे को लॉस ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए, तो ये 10 15 20 बस, इसके ऊपर लेवरेज मत लो। ये होता है लेवरेज, ठीक है। ये हो गया मेरा 10, ये हो गया मेरा 15, और ये हो गया मेरा 20। बस इसके ऊपर मत लो, कोई मतलब ही नहीं है उसके ऊपर लेवरेज लेने का। फिर वो होता है मतलब ज्यादा ही नुकसानदायक वाला चीज होता है, क्योंकि क्रिप्टो मार्केट में वो कब गिर जाए कब उठ जाए कोई अंदाजा नहीं। अगर आप एकदम ही बहुत श्योर हो कि यार मेरे हिसाब से तो 100% यहां से मार्केट ना पूरी ऊपर उठ जाएगी, एक बार भी ऐसे नीचे की तरफ नहीं दिखेंगी, सीधा ऊपर आसमान के ऊपर छाएंगी, तो उस टाइम पे आप लेवरेज लो अच्छा खासा, 50 60 70 80 90 100 जितना आपको लेना है, जब आप पूरे 100% श्योर हो मार्केट को ले कि मेरी उड़ान देखो उसमें ब्रेक ही नहीं है, वैसी वाली उड़ान। ठीक है, ये हो गया लेवरेज। एंड लेवरेज में भी अब आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे एक चीज दिख रही है आपको, मैक्स होल्डिंग साइज। ये क्या होता है मैक्स होल्डिंग साइज? किसको बोलते हैं मैक्स होल्डिंग साइज? साइज बोले तो सीधा क्वांटिटी, कितना क्वांटिटी, 1 रुपए 2 रुपए 3 रुपए। अगर मेरे पास 3 रुपए मतलब मेरे पास 3 साइज है, सेम साइज और क्वांटिटी सेम होता है, तो अगर आप 20 का लेवरेज लेते हो तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा मैक्सिमम आप कितना बाय कर सकते हो? 1000, 1040, उतना आप मैक्सिमम बाय कर सकते हो, उसके ऊपर नहीं कर पाओगे। ये हो गया आपका मैक्स, कि इसके ऊपर तुम बाय नहीं कर सकते हो, सिंपल। वेलकम यूजर 158 341 इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट, कोई भी डाउट आता है, कुछ भी आता है, सीधा कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछो, मैं वहीं के वहीं 2 मिनट में सारे डाउट क्लियर कर दूंगा, ठीक है। जो भी डाउट, एनी डाउट यू हैव, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क, प्लीज डू आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, ठीक है। तो ये मैक्सिमम होल्डिंग क्या होता है? मैक्स होल्डिंग 141014, मतलब दैट्स द मैक्स थिंग, ये सबसे मतलब उससे ज्यादा तुम नहीं ले पाओगे। 20 के लेवरेज में सबसे ज्यादा तुम इतना ही कर पाओगे। ये जैसा तुम लेवरेज बढ़ाते हो वैसा सब क्वांटिटी कम हो जाती है। मैं 48 पे मैक्स कितना ले सकता हूँ? 124। 75 पे क्या कर सकता हूँ? सिर्फ 6 बीटीसी ले सकता हूँ। 100 पे 0.5, 125 पे कितना ले सकता हूं मैं? 125 पे भी 0.5 ले सकता हूं। ये होता है लेवरेज। समझ में आ गया? लेवरेज बेसिकली होता है उधार, तुमने किसी से उधारी लिया है और तुमको वो वापस मांगेगा भी। मांगेगा ऐसे मतलब वो पैसा पैसा नहीं मांगेगा, बट उसका एक शेयर होगा उसमें, वो प्रॉफिट कंप्लीट पूरा आपका प्रॉफिट नहीं है, एक शेयर है, कुछ एक शेयर उसको भी देना पड़ता है क्योंकि उसका भी पैसा लगा हुआ है। ठीक है, ये हो गया लेवरेज का। अभी ओपन क्लोज में बाद में समझाता हूं। ओपन मतलब वही होता है कि अगर मुझे ट्रेड ओपन करनी है तो मैं ओपन करता हूँ, अगर मैंने अभी तक ट्रेड खोली नहीं है, मतलब मैंने ट्रेड अभी तक लगाया नहीं है मार्केट पे, तो मैं ओपन क्लिक करता हूँ। अब ओपन ट्रेड पे दो ऑप्शन होते हैं तुम्हारे पास, एक होता है ओपन लॉन्ग और एक होता है ओपन शॉर्ट, ठीक है। हम नॉर्मली जनरली क्या बोलते हैं? मैंने ले लिया बाय, मैंने ले लिया सेल, मैंने कर लिया बाय, मैंने कर लिया सेल, ये बोलते हैं नॉर्मली। फ्यूचर में उसे बाय को लॉन्ग बोला जाता है और शॉर्ट को, सॉरी सेल को शॉर्ट बोला जाता है। अगर तुम ओपन लॉन्ग करते हो मतलब तुम जा रहे हो बाय के लिए, और तुम कर रहे हो ओपन शॉर्ट मतलब तुम जा रहे हो सेल के लिए, ठीक है। ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है। ओपन लॉन्ग मतलब क्या होता है कि तुम जा रहे हो बाय, ओपन शॉर्ट मतलब होता है तुम जा रहे हो सेल के लिए, ठीक है। एक सेकेंड। Welcome user 499085. Welcome on the live stream. Thanks so much for joining this live stream. Thanks so much for being a part of this live stream. Okay, now one second. Okay. Welcome user 244314. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Okay, now let's understand the rest thing. Like I said to you, open long means that you're opening for a long position. Open short means that you're going for a sell position. Now, understood? Same. Now there are three types of market order. There is not one, but there are three types of market order. One is limit order, second is market order, and third is trigger order. There are three types which you can use whatever you want to pick. I will explain you what is limit order, what is market order, and what is trigger order. First, let's understand limit. Welcome user 919427. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Okay. I am explaining you regarding the ZBIT how to do future trade. Okay. So let's say you have, let's understand what is limit order. Now limit order, what do you mean by limit order? This is my market going on. Okay. Now I know this one thing that market is having a buy direction because it's making higher high, higher low, higher high. I'm just giving you an example. Okay. This is just an example, a scenario. It doesn't have to be limit order, doesn't have to be just a buy trade or just for this. Welcome user 191427. 191427. Welcome. Hi, my name is Yash. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining in. Do not forget to click on the deposit option to deposit money for taking a trade. I will give you live trades in very shortly time. And after me giving you those live trades, you should be available for taking that trade because those will be the most profitable trade which you will be taking. Okay. So the deposit will take 15, 20, 30 minutes to come to your account. So do not forget to deposit it at least an hour ago before me giving you live trades. That means whenever you come on the live stream, you should click that there is one function down there. There is, you can see take a trade or deposit. You can click on that and you should do the deposit from that point. Got it? Okay, let's understand limit order. Welcome user 126263. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Let's understand what is limit order. Okay. For example, let's say that this is the market going on right now in an up direction. Now, you know this one thing that I don't want to enter at this high price. Market is going on this. This is the market price at right now point. I don't want to enter at this point, but I really feel that maybe after 30 minutes, maybe after 40 minutes, maybe after 1 hour, or maybe after 2 hours, market will come down and will give me again the very best entry to go for buy at the cheap price. Rather than entering at the high price, I can actually enter from the low price. Okay, so in that scenario, but market is not there right now, but can be after 20 minutes, after 30 minutes, or something it can be. There is an option, there can be a possibility that market can fall down for a little bit of time, and then from here again it can go up. So at that point, what I can do, for if the market is right now, and there is a like again the probability, if it falls, if it doesn't fall, it doesn't fall. Simple. In that, we can use a limit order rather than putting us into the trade of the current market. Limit order can fix, like for example, here the price range is 30 and here the price range is 90. I don't want to enter at 90. I want to enter at 30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a limit order of an entry point, entry price of what, 30 for XYZ quantity. Let's say just two quantity. Whenever and until the market comes to that 30, my trade will not get executed. It will be there, but will not get executed. Okay, executed means कि वहां ट्रेड, मतलब मेरा ट्रेड लग जाएगा पर वो चालू नहीं होगा. वो बस वहां रहेगा कि यार जब ये मार्केट 30 पे आ जाएगा तब ये मेरा मार्केट चालू हो जाएगा, प्रॉफिट कमाना है, फिर लॉस होना चालू हो जाएगा उस टाइम पे. तो मैंने क्या किया इस टाइम पे कि यार मुझे अभी यहां पे नहीं खरीदना है, मुझे 90 पे नहीं खरीदना है, मेरे को चाहिए मार्केट, मेरे को थोड़ा कम पैसों पे चाहिए, मेरे को 30 रुपए पे ही मेरे मार्केट को मेरे को ट्रेड लेना है. तो उस टाइम पे मैंने क्या करता हूं कि मैंने बस लिमिट ऑर्डर में बोल दिया कि मेरे को 30 रुपए पे मार्केट पे दो बाय करना है, दो साइज बाय करना है. तो जब तक मार्केट नीचे नहीं आ जाता, वो भी 30 पे, तब तक मेरा ट्रेड एक्टिव नहीं होता, तब तक मेरा ट्रेड नहीं लगा है, ना ही मेरे को प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, ना ही मेरे को लॉस हो रहा है, और ना ही मेरे अवेलेबल बैलेंस से मेरा पैसा कहीं गया है. जैसे ही वो मार्केट 30 पे आ गया तब मेरा मार्केट पे ट्रेड लग जाएगा. ठीक है, मेरा यहां से पैसा कटेगा, वो ट्रेड पे लग गया इन्वेस्टमेंट, और फिर वहां से मेरा प्रॉफिट, मेरा लॉस, ये सब दिखना चालू हो जाएगा. ये होता है लिमिट ऑर्डर. लिमिट ऑर्डर बहुत काम की इसलिए चीज होती है क्योंकि अब सेम ऐसा होता है कि समझो अभी मार्केट जा रही है ऊपर 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 ऊपर, मुझे एक अंदाजा है कि यार ये मार्केट शुरू हुई है 30 से, ये जाके शायद तक 90 पे रुक सकती है और 90 से गिरना चालू हो जाएगी, जहां पे मेरा सप्लाई जोन पड़ा हुआ है या फिर मेरा लिक्विडिटी जोन पड़ा हुआ है, और यहां से मार्केट ना गिरना चालू हो जाएगी. तो मैं क्या करूंगा कि ये 30 वाला मार्केट मेरा चालू है, पर मेरे को पता नहीं है कि शायद तक कब रिवर्स ले ले, यहीं से गिर जाएगा या फिर यहां से गिर जाएगा, मुझे अंदाजा नहीं है. मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत ये पता है कि शायद तक 90 से गिरने की बहुत 90% चांसेस है. उस पॉइंट पे मैं क्या करूंगा, मैंने लिमिट ऑर्डर रख दूंगा कि यार मुझे एक काम करना, जब तक मार्केट पे 90 नहीं आता मुझे ट्रेड मत देना. मैं यहाँ पे ट्रेड लगा के छोड़ देता हूँ कि अगर कोई 90 पे खरीदना चाहता है मेरे से, कि कोई एक बंदा है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी चालू है 30 का रेट, मुझे 30 के रेट में बेचना ही नहीं है और ना ही मुझे खरीदना है. मैंने क्या किया कि एक बस एक ऑर्डर बुक पे, ये होता है ऑर्डर बुक, ये होता है ऑर्डर बुक. क्या ये ऑर्डर बुक दिख रहा है? ये ऑर्डर बुक पे प्राइस दिख रहा है, ये क्वांटिटी दिख रही है, प्राइस दिख रहा है, क्वांटिटी दिख रही है. अब इस पे कैसा होता है कि मैचिंग, मैंने ऑर्डर डाल दिया कि यार मेरे को दो क्वांटिटी चाहिए, उसी टाइम पे एक ऐसा कोई बंदा होगा जिसे उसी प्राइस पे दो क्वांटिटी बेचना है, उसका और मेरा ट्रेड हो जाएगा मैच, वो मेरे को बेच देगा और मैं उससे खरीद लूंगा. सिंपल, ये हो गया ट्रेड. उसने कर दिया सेल और मैंने कर दिया बाय, ये होता है ट्रेड. अभी मुझे ऐसा है कि यार मुझे 30 पे खरीदने वाले बहुत मिल रहे हैं, पर मुझे ही नहीं खरीदना है 30 पे, मुझे खरीदना है तो मुझे 90 पे खरीदना है और मुझे 90 से बेचना चालू कर देना है. ठीक है, तो वहां पे आप क्या वेट करोगे, जब तक कोई दूसरा बंदा आपके मतलब मार्केट जब तक वहां पे 90 पे नहीं पहुंचती और 90 पे कोई दूसरा बंदा आपसे वो 2 यूनिट खरीदने को रेडी नहीं है, तब तक आप बेच नहीं सकते। समझ गए? वो आगे एक बंदा रहना चाहिए खड़ा, एक तो बाय या फिर सेल करने के लिए। तो ये होता है लिमिट कि जब मैं जो चाहूं मैं उस बोली या फिर उस प्राइस पे मैं अपना मार्केट बेच या खरीद सकता हूं। ये होता है लिमिट। मुझे मार्केट के हिसाब से, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल समझ लो कि ये हो रहा है बीटीसी, मैं बीटीसी का एग्जांपल देकर समझाता हूं। ठीक है, ये चल रहा है बीटीसी। बीटीसी का प्राइस कहां चल रहा है? बीटीसी का प्राइस है 96 पे, 96 का प्राइस चालू है बीटीसी का। ठीक है, मुझे 96 का प्राइस पे खरीदना ही नहीं है बीटीसी। मुझे नहीं खरीदना है 96 के प्राइस बीटीसी। मुझे चाहिए कि यार एटलीस्ट मुझे ना शायद तक और ये 94 तक आ सकता है मार्केट। तो मुझे 96 अगर मैं खरीद के यहां पे फिर मार्केट गिर गया तो मेरा नुकसान हो गया। तो मैं क्या करूंगा कि यार मुझे, मैंने बस यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया, ये मैंने लिया ट्रेड, यहाँ पे ट्रेड और यहाँ पे लगे लिमिट। अब लिमिट पे यार क्या डाल दिया, 96 ये मार्केट का ये मार्केट का प्राइस चालू है। ठीक है, मैंने मार्केट का प्राइस कर दिया पूरा कैंसिल और मैंने डाल दिया 94 और मैंने बोल दिया कि यार मुझे 94 पे बाय दे देना, मुझे अभी बाय नहीं चाहिए, मुझे 94 पे बाय दे देना। अब ये मेरा 94 पे देखो, ये ब्लू लाइन दिख रही है, ये ब्लू लाइन दिख रही है, यहाँ पे 94 लिखा हुआ है और यहाँ पे बाय लिखा हुआ है क्योंकि मैंने बाय के लिए सेट किया हुआ है। अब यहाँ पे जब तक ये मार्केट यहां से गिर के, जब तक मार्केट 96 से गिर के 94 पे नहीं आ जाता, मेरा ट्रेड चालू नहीं होगा, मेरा ट्रेड एक्टिव नहीं होगा जब तक मैं ये लिमिट ऑर्डर 94 पे, मतलब ये पूरा मार्केट 94 पे नहीं आ जाता। क्यों? क्योंकि 94 पे मैं खरीदना चाहता हूं। यहां पे लोग किस पे बेच रहे हैं? अगर यहाँ पे सेलर है, क्योंकि मैं खरीदना चाहता हूं तो मेरे को क्या करना है, किसी से सेलर से बेचना है। जो बंदा बेचना चाहता है मैं उसी से खरीदूंगा, जो खरीदना चाहता है मैं उससे कैसे खरीदूंगा? दोनों अगर बाय कर रहे हैं तो वो कहां से कर रहे हैं भाई? एक बंदा सेल करेगा तब जाके ही मैं बाय करूंगा, सिंपल है। तो अगर करंट मार्केट में क्या बोला जा रहा है, करंट मार्केट में सारे बीच कौन से भाव से रहे? 96 के रेट से सब बेच रहे हैं। मुझे 96 के रेट से खरीदना ही नहीं है, मुझे रेट किस रेट से खरीदना है? मुझे 94 के रेट से खरीदना है। तो मैं क्या करूंगा, बाय लिमिट लगा दूंगा कि जब जब भी मार्केट में 94 का रेट चालू हो जाएगा, जब लोग 94 के रेट से बेचना चालू कर देंगे, तब मैं वो चीज खरीद लूंगा। ये मेरी मर्जी है, मुझे नहीं खरीदना है 96 पे, मुझे 94 पे ही खरीदना है। मेरा थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन ऐसा बोलता है कि यहां से भी मार्केट अगले 20 मिनट, अगले 30 मिनट या अगले 1-2 घंटे में गिर जाएगा और वो जाके 94 पे ही आएगा। तो मैं क्यों अपना वो 20-30 1 घंटे के लिए अपना नुकसान करूं? इसलिए मैंने लिमिट लगा दी कि मेरे को 94 पे ही खरीदना है। इसको बोलते हैं हम लिमिट ऑर्डर। मेरी मर्जी के हिसाब से मैंने अपने प्राइस पे अपनी मार्केट में खरीदूंगा या फिर बेचूंगा, ये मेरी मर्जी हो गई। समझ में आ गया? अभी सेम एग्जांपल हो गया कि मैं सेम एग्जांपल सेल का देता हूं। सेम एग्जांपल सेल का, अभी मार्केट चालू है यहाँ पे 96 पे, मैंने 96 पे 2 खरीद लिया है, मैंने 2 मेरे पास बाय पड़े हुए, ठीक है। मैंने 96 पे खरीदा ही नहीं है, सॉरी, मैंने लिमिट ऑर्डर लगा दिया। लिमिट ऑर्डर मैंने कैसे लगा दिया कि यार मुझे 96 के भाव पे बेचना ही नहीं है। मैं जानता हूं कि मार्केट नहीं नहीं बोल के ना ये वाले रेंज पे आएगा, जो है मेरा 98 का रेंज। मुझे 98 के रेंज से बेचना है, मुझे 96 के रेंज से बेचना ही नहीं, मुझे 98 के रेंज से बेचना है। तो मैं क्या करूंगा, सेल ऑर्डर प्लेस करूंगा यहाँ पे। अभी मैंने ट्रेड ले लिया वापस, अब यहाँ पे लिमिट है, ये बाय के लिए क्या करूंगा, मैं सेल कर दूंगा। मुझे सेल करना है, सेल कितने पे करना है मेरे को? 98 के रेंज पे। मैंने यहाँ पे टाइप कर दिया 98,000 और मैंने दबा दिया यहाँ पे सेल पे, ये मैंने क्लिक कर दिया सेल। अभी मेरा ऑर्डर प्लेस हो गया, पर क्या मेरा ऑर्डर एक्टिव है? नहीं। क्या यहाँ पे कोई पैसा दिख रहा है? नहीं। क्या मेरा पैसा कम हो रहा है, ज्यादा हो रहा है? नहीं, मेरा पैसा लगा ही नहीं है मार्केट में। वो बस मैंने बोली लगा, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि मैं एक रुमाल छोड़ के जा रहा हूं, ये मेरी जगह है। मैं जब भी आऊंगा तब मैं बैठूंगा क्योंकि मैंने रुमाल छोड़ दिया है भाई अपना। मैंने रुमाल अगर छोड़ दिया भाई मेरी जगह है, सीधी सीधी सिंपल बात भाई, मेरा रुमाल है भाई, ये मैंने छोड़ के गया हूं यहाँ पे। तो वही बात होती है कि अगर मैंने लिमिट लगा दिया, मतलब मैंने अपना रुमाल छोड़ दिया है वो प्राइस पे, कि मैंने 98 पे अपना रुमाल रख दिया है। अब जब भी मैं आऊंगा मैं तब अपनी मर्जी के हिसाब से सेल कर लूंगा, ये होती मेरी मर्जी। लिमिट में ऑर्डर में होती मेरी मर्जी, अपनी मर्जी के हिसाब से सेल करूंगा, अपनी मर्जी के हिसाब से बाय करूंगा। Got it? Very simple. I will explain this same thing in English a little. Limit order is basically that it's my choice, that I want to sell on my preference. I don't want to sell on market current price. I want to sell on the price which I feel like. I feel like in next 20, 30 or 40 minutes, market will come down from 96 to 98. I will go like I don't want to put sell order for 96. I want to put my sell order at 98. Right now it is not there. I don't care. Whenever it will come, then and then only I will do the sell order. My sell order will get placed because I don't want to enter at 96 place, 96 market price. I want to enter at 98 only, which is my preference. Same goes for the buy as well. I don't want to buy at 96. I feel it is a little high price for me to buy, and I want to buy at a more cheaper price. So what I will do, I will observe the market, and I will think that maybe this is a zone where the market can travel to, where to grab the liquidity place. Okay, so if the market can come to that point to grab that liquidity point, then I can put my limit order that yes, I feel 94 it can come, the price will come down to 94 for definitely sure, and I am positive about it. So I will put my buy order, which you can see there are two limit order placed at this point. Two, one is placed at 98 for sell. Okay, one is placed at 98 for what? For sell. That market will come, then and then the sell order will execute. And when it placed on 94 for buy, that at this place, whenever the market comes, then and then only my buy order will get placed. Understood? It's very simple to understand, but it's very important because limit order is sometimes very useful in the market, because we see those movements, like for example those big movements when the market is dropping. Now nobody wants to enter in the running market. Like for example, the market already dropped 2%. We always have this fear, like I think next moment can be the reversal moment. If I enter in the market, what if the next time the market got reversed? I want to enter for the sell because I can see a big candle dropping down and the market is falling. But I'm also feeling the fear feeling that what if at the point I enter in the market get reversed and I can have the buy position from there. What if this thing happens? तो उसके लिए हम करते हैं लिमिट ऑर्डर। यार मैं अपने हिसाब से चलूंगा मार्केट, मुझे अपने हिसाब से बेचना है, अपने हिसाब से खरीदना है, अपने हिसाब से, ये मेरी मर्जी है। ये होता है सिंपल अंडरस्टैंडिंग किसकी? लिमिट ऑर्डर की। ठीक है, अब दूसरा यहां पे क्या है? दूसरा है मार्केट ऑर्डर। मार्केट ऑर्डर मतलब क्या होता है? मार्केट ऑर्डर का सिंपल सा मतलब है कि यार मेरा, अब यहाँ पे मैं जीबिट पे कैसे लिमिट ऑर्डर लगाते हैं मैं वो बता देता हूँ। ठीक है, जीबिट पे लिमिट ऑर्डर कैसे लगाते हैं? अभी मैंने प्राइस पिक कर लिया, अब ये प्राइस कौन सा? मार्केट का प्राइस है क्या? नहीं, ये मार्केट का प्राइस नहीं है। This is not the market price which I am going to enter in this input. If I want to put the limit order for the future trade of the ZBIT, how will I do it? I will pick my own price first. Like for example, right now 96 is going on. If I want to enter for the buy position, I don't want to enter 96. I want to enter 94. So what I'm going to put is that XYZ amount which I feel to enter. Which I feel to enter. That amount which I am going to put. Got it? I put that amount, that this is 94 is the amount which I want to enter, and USDT size. See, in here you get two options: order placement preference. Either you can order by size, that XYZ quantity that I want to enter by 0.5 quantity, I need 0.5 quantity, I need 1 coin, I need 2 coin, I need 10, I need 20, I need 30, or I need 50 coins. That is my choice. But to be very, see, I get it, like whenever new users are there, new users feel very difficult for understanding like by which size or by which what size, like 1 means how much, 0.5 means how much, 0.8 means how much, I don't know about it. And if you are doing a future trade, more than the quantity, focus on the order value, because that is an available balance which will be used. So you should be knowing, like for example, I have 100 USD as my available balance. Got it? Now, if I pick order by size, I don't know what will be the value of 0.5. I don't know what will be the value of 0.5, 0.2, 0.001 or whatever it is. But I can do what? I can best pick is order by value, confirm. Why? Because I can see USDT means what? My available balance. What it will justify? That I want to invest 20% of my available balance, or I want to invest 50% of my available balance, or I want to use 100% of my available balance. It's simple to understand. मुझे अभी अगर मैं साइज पे क्लिक कर देता हूं कि मेरे को क्वांटिटी में जाना है, अब मेरे को नहीं पता है यार कि ये 0.2 क्वांटिटी कितनी होती है, मेरा कितना पैसा जाएगा उसमें, 0.5 क्वांटिटी खरीदना है तो मेरा उसमें मेरे को कितना पैसा जाएगा, मेरा मुझे नहीं पता है। सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल चीज है कि मैं यहाँ पे ये ऑर्डर बाय वैल्यू पे क्लिक कर देता हूँ। अभी ऑर्डर बाय वैल्यू पे क्यों, यहाँ पे मेरे को पूरी चीज का अंदाजा रहेगा कि मेरा कितना पैसा लगा हुआ है मार्केट में। अगर मेरे पास 100 यूजिटी है यहाँ पे और मैंने बोल दिया कि यार मेरे को ना 10% लगाना है अपने कैपिटल का, ये मेरा कैपिटल है बेसिकली, ये मेरा बैंक अकाउंट है, ये मेरे को बैंक अकाउंट का 10% लगाना है, बैंक अकाउंट का 20 लगाना है, बैंक अकाउंट का 50 लगाना है, बैंक अकाउंट का 100 लगाना है, ये मेरी मर्जी है कि मुझे उतना लगाना है मार्केट में, ठीक है। और उससे कैसा होगा, मुझे अंदाजा रहेगा कि यार मेरा पैसा कितना जा रहा है, कितना लग रहा है और कितना वापस मिल सकता है। अब ये साइज से नहीं समझते आता ना कि अगर मुझे 0.5 का मैंने साइज खरीद लिया, अब उसमें भी वो कितना प्रॉफिट होगा, वो पैसे में कैसा दिखेगा, क्या होगा, मुझे नहीं अंदाजा इससे। तो ऑर्डर बाय साइज करना हमेशा, ये चीज से तुम्हारा बैलेंस कितना बचा हुआ है और तुम अपने बैलेंस कितना लगा रहे हो, ये तुम्हारे हमेशा वहां पे रहेगा। एक ये रहेगा कि मतलब यार ये मैं इतना लगाया है, इतना ही किया, ठीक है। अब उसके बाद में अब उसके बाद में जैसे ही मैंने ऑर्डर बाय वैल्यू लगा दिया, अब यहाँ पे आता है मैक्सिमम बाय और मैक्सिमम सेल, कि मैं कितना मैक्सिमम बाय कर सकता हूँ, कितना मैक्सिमम सेल कर सकता हूँ। यहाँ पे वो दिखा देगा कि यार तू इसके ऊपर बाय नहीं कर सकते या फिर तुम इसके नीचे सेल नहीं कर सकते, ये इतनी ही तुम मैक्सिमम क्वांटिटी है जो तुम खरीद या बेच सकते हो मार्केट के, फ्यूचर मार्केट के अंदर, ठीक है। ये हो गया, सेट हो गया कि मैंने फ्यूचर मार्केट के अंदर मैंने कितना खरीदना है, कितना बेचना है, ये मैंने अपना सेट कर लिया है कि इतना मैं कर सकता हूँ। उसके बाद में सिंपल ऑप्शन होता है कि लिमिट लगा दिया, पैसा लगा दिया, सॉरी प्राइस लगा दिया, कौन से प्राइस मेरे को बाय करना है, कौन से प्राइस में सेल करना है, और उसके बाद में मैंने साइज लगा दिया कि इतना मेरे को अपना यूएसडीटी की इससे इतना पैसा लगाना है, कि मैं कितना पैसा लगाना चाहता हूं, मैंने लगा दिया। उसके बाद में और मैंने लगा दिया कि मेरे को अगर बाय करना है ओपन लॉन्ग कर दिया, शॉर्ट करना है तो ओपन शॉर्ट कर दिया, सिंपल। अब मार्केट ऑर्डर की बात करते हैं। ये मार्केट ऑर्डर होता क्या है? मार्केट ऑर्डर होता है मतलब कि ऑर्डर का तुम पैसा डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि तुम्हें कितना लगाना है मार्केट के अंदर पैसा। मैं 10 लगाना चाहता हूं, मैं $20 लगाना चाहता हूं, मैं $30 लगाना चाहता हूं, मैं $6 लगाना चाहता हूं, मैं $10 लगाना चाहता हूं, इसका तुम अंदाजा कर सकते हो कि कितना डॉलर लगाना है, बट प्राइस नहीं। जो भी मार्केट ने प्राइस दे दिया, जो भी करंट मार्केट प्राइस चालू है, अभी करंट मार्केट प्राइस क्या चालू है? करंट मार्केट प्राइस चालू है 96,469, ये हो गई उसकी करंट मार्केट प्राइस, ठीक है। अब इस करंट मार्केट पे ही वो आपका ट्रेड लगाएगा। लिमिट जैसा नहीं कि मेरे हिसाब से मैं इधर लगाऊंगा या मेरे हिसाब से मैं उधर लगाऊंगा, नहीं। जो मार्केट का प्राइस चालू है उसी प्राइस पे आपका बाय या सेल का ऑर्डर वो आपका प्लेस करेगा, जो भी आप बोलोगे, जितने भी क्वांटिटी और जितने भी पैसे में आप बोलोगे उतनी ही क्वांटिटी में वो आपका ऑर्डर प्लेस कर देगा, ठीक है। अब इसमें मार्केट वो सिंपल सिंपल सा है कि ये प्राइस है और ये आपका पैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे, बस इतना यूएसडीटी लग रहा है, इतना यूएसडीटी लग रहा है, बस सिंपल। मार्केट ऑर्डर बहुत सिंपल होता है, जैसे मैंने बताया कि यार जो भी whatever the market price is going on right now, that's your price to enter in the market. You cannot pick your own price. That's the exact price to enter in the market. Now then comes a trigger. What do you mean by trigger order? Trigger order is what? What is trigger order? Now, trigger order is very similar to the limit order, but it has few. There's like uh, it's not same. It's similar. Like it looks, it does the similar work but in a little different way. The end part is different. This is the end part. I will give difference as well, okay. For example, again, this is my market going on something like this, okay. This is the price of what? No, I will explain the current market only. It's better to explain current market, okay. So Understand over here. This is the BTC price going on. BTC is going on at what right now? 96,420. Okay. I don't want to enter for buy position at this point. No. I want to enter for buy position at this small point which is 94. Same like that, I will put like I want to enter at 94,000. Okay. Now, let's say that the market starts falling, falling, falling. It fall till where? 94,000. 94777 it fall, and from there rejection started to happen. My order is getting placed. I put my price what? 94,000. Got rejection from what? 777. Or either it can get rejection from what? 94020. $20 difference. Market got rejected by the $20 hike, and I placed my order just 94. Limit order, if market comes down to 94029 and from there it goes up, limit order will not execute your order because it requires specifications. You did specific, you said 94,000, I will enter at only 94,000. Right? But this trigger is not like that. Trigger is, for example, what trigger is going to do is he will wait for market to come to nearby movement. 94 you said, he will observe market coming to that nearby 94 some range. In that range, if he thinks that there can be some XYZ best price, best deal, best order connection of buyer and seller for you, he will place that order for you rather than waiting it for coming to the exact price of 94000. Even if the market is coming to 94020, it will execute your order if there is someone ready of buying at 94020. If someone is ready to buy or sell at that price with your respected whatever quantity, 2 3 4 0.2 0.1 whatever quantity, if there is one person there at 94020, the trigger order will trigger and it will make your order get corrected with that guy. Okay, rather than waiting for that exact price which you gave in the limit order. For example, in the limit order 94 means 94, not even 94, not even 93,999. It won't even execute. It requires exact price 94,000. When it hits, then and then only the order get placed. But trigger doesn't do that. Trigger will find best order for you in that XYZ range. In that price range, it will find the best order for you. Got it? Good. That is trigger for you. It works same like you can pick your own price, but the market will find the best order for you in whatever range it can find. Not the exact one, but wherever it finds $2 less, $3 less, $5 above, $10 above, it will find the best order for you and it will get you placed. Got it? So these are the three market orders: limit, market, and trigger. I hope you have understood it. What do you mean by limit order? What do you mean by market order? And what do you mean by trigger order? Now, rest of the stuffs I will explain. I will just have a quick 5-minute break from all of you people some as well. I'll just take 5-minute break. I will come back and we will have we'll continue this live stream in just 5 minutes. Okay, let me just have 5-minute break. Okay, coming back to the live. Let me check one thing. Mayank from live, YouTube is asking, भैया Zebit fraud है क्या? No, no, no. Zibit is not a fraud. Zibit is a very legit company. We are licensed company. This is not like we are unlicensed. We are running a company without any license or something. We have running with the government license. We have the license of the government, and then we are running the exchange platform. It is completely legal. It's completely legitimate app. It's not at all, even for 1%, it is not a fraud or anything which is a scammer or something. Mayank. So Mayank from the YouTube, please understand these things that no, it is not a scam, it is not a fraud, it is not these things. The rewards may look like this because we are giving such a good rewards to our new users. And this is for your benefits, it's not for something which we are taking advantage of. We want to embrace you to the crypto platform, like what a crypto platform, how much good profits a crypto platform can give it to you. So embrace it. Okay. Now coming back to our this thing explaining how to take a future trade. I explained you limit order, market order, trigger order already. Now, how to put trigger order? Trigger should be like, see, this is the market price, whatever market price, and your trigger price. Like example, whatever you want to, like same way the way you put in the limit order XYZ, 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 XYZ price that you will put over here again by size 10%, 20, 30, 40, or 50, whatever percent you want to put it in the market of your USDT, open for long or open for short depending on you. Now how do you close your account, close your trade? Like once you have opened the trade, then how do you close it? The close option is just over here. You tap on the close and then you go on close short or close long. Simple. Either you want to, if you have opened long over here, then you close long. If you have opened short, then close short over here. Simple as that. After this there are one very best thing which is the calculator, which I'll explain the last. But future contract, a lot of people have this very like common doubt, like future trade has expiry dates because it has a start date and it has an expiry date. According to the start and expiry date, we get XYZ thing. We get like uh, before XYZ, like I took a trade right now, and if I have entered at a 13 days expiry date, then 30 days, after 30 days my trade will be closed automatically, right? That is an expiry and start and expiry date. But in Zbit we don't give you that stress of my trade is going to get closed in that day or XYZ or XYZ. We don't give you that thing. We give you expiry as perpetual. What do you mean by perpetual? Perpetual contract is like never ending. That expiry, there is no expiry date to the contract. There is no, means like even if you take a trade right now, and even if you want to keep it alive for 2 to 3 years, it will be there, it will be showing as alive in 2 to 3 years as well. You don't have to worry regarding like expiry date. If you take a trade today, that trade will be going on. If you have a sufficient balance, if you have your trade balance is like good balance, it will be still in the profit from that place, and if it will be still alive even if you are like 1 year after, 2 year after, 3 year after, it will be still there. So you don't have to worry regarding the expiry date, because expiry is a perpetual contract over here. Okay, contract size, contract take, and every of those things you can take it over here. Okay, now let me explain you about the calculator, because calculator is very important. Calculator will show you how useful a calculator is. With this you can understand what kind of like, because most of the people of get think like, how shall I invest with xyz quantity, with a quantity of 0.5, what should be my investment, with a what should be my take profit, what kind of return do I need, how shall I find my take target price, and every of those things. With the help of this calculator I will show you how to identify your target price, what can be a profit loss, and if you want to gain that xyz amount of profit or xyz amount of loss, then what should be your margin balance as well. How much margin balance is basically how much money is required for you to have to enter into that xyz trade. Okay, let's first understand the target price. Okay, we are taking, this is the calculator option. Okay, just behind this, can you see calculator? Just click on that calculator option. Yeah, just click on that calculator option. Now let's first understand the target, because we need target. In profit and loss they will ask us for target, we don't have a target price. First let's understand the target price. Let's see, the entry price will to put the random right now price only, like 96500. That's my entry point of the USDT. Okay, here whatever coin we are observing, right now BTC coin. So we'll pick that BTC. I want to take leverage of 10. 10 is the max leverage I want to take. 10x leverage I took. Now ROI, what do you understand by ROI? ROI means return on investment. What should be my return on investment? What kind of return do I need? Do I need 10% return on my investment, 20%, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90, or a complete 100%, or 200%, or 300%? What kind of return investment I need? Okay, that you can pick over here. Like for example, if I want to put 100 USDT and I require 100% of return on investment, that means there will be 100 my investment, 100 my profit. Okay, so let's just take 100 should be my return on investment. That I need double. Whatever I'm putting it, I need it to get double. 10 I put, I need it to become 20. If I put 20, I need it to become 40. If I put 30, I need to become 60 USDT profit, basically. Okay. ROI put 100% and I did the calculation. Okay. Now he gave me the price over here. What should be the approximate price to reach that 100%? He gave me what? 106150. If the market reaches 106k level, then I will receive 100% ROI rate of interest for my XYZ profit. Okay. Now we'll put the same thing, the target price, entry price on the profit and loss. The target price is what? 106150, and entry price is what? 96500. Okay, let's go to profit and loss. Entry price is again 96500 and target price is 106150. That was the target price which gave me, which I required to buy. How much? I required to get 100% return on my investment. Okay, now about the size, maximum holding size is what? 2382. Okay, that's the maximum size. Now I don't know what should be my XYZ, like what should be my what kind of size will require what kind of investment. I don't know about it. I really don't know about it, what size can make what investment. So I will put over here, let's say that I want to buy what? I want to buy 0.5 BTC I want to buy. Once I do the calculation, it will give me like what kind of investment do I require. If I want to buy 0.5 BTC, I require 4825 USDT. 4825, that too after taking 10x of leverage. I require this much, and my profit, if I put an investment of 4825, if I hit my target of 106150, I will be receiving the same exact amount as my return price. I put 4825, I will get back 4825, which will become something 9000, something like this. Okay, 10 I guess 10,000 something I will be becoming. No, 9,000. 9,000 something it will become. Okay. Let's say that obviously I don't have this much amount to buy. Like 4,820 I don't have buy. I will reduce the size to 0.1. Let's see what 0.13. If you want to put 0.001, you require, if you want to buy the quantity of 0.01, then you require the margin balance of what? 96.5 USDT. Welcome users 756506 and welcome user 111286. User 756506 says hi, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Okay, now understand this point. In calculation, you can check what kind of quantity will require what kind of balance. If I pick on one more at 0 and one more this, if I calculate, let's calculate, then I require just 9.9 USDT, and once it hits 106k, I will get the 100% return on it, because ROI picked what? 100%. Whatever I give, I need it back. I invested 9, I need 9% $9 profit. I invested $10, I need $10 profit. That means 9 plus 9, 18, 10 plus 10, 20. Got it? So this is the most beginner friendly thing which you can have, because a lot of people get struggling this only, like what can be my entry, what should be my target, what kind of ROI will require what kind of target, what kind of size will I require to buy XYZ quantity, like what kind of quantity should I get, what kind of for 100% ROI, plus what should be the my amount shall I invest, what will be amount required to get 0.001 BTC or 0.08 or whatever it is. Let's take 0.009. It will require 86.85 USDT and you will be receiving 86.85 USDT once it hits the target. So in this case, you will get every of those scenario. Simple. So this is the complete understanding of the market, of the ZBIT, how to do the future, and let me show you how to do the deposit and how to do the this thing, transfer, deposit and withdraw. Simple. Okay, now understand this one thing from the future. I didn't explain the spot, right? Spot is very simple. Spot doesn't have any understanding or something. Okay, spot has two market, limit or market. Market will give you the whatever price is going on at right now point, and limit you can pick your own point, at what at this point I want to enter, at that point I want to enter, and blah blah blah. Okay, simple. And you have just buy and sell, buy, sell. They are just two options you have. It's very simple, it's very easy. Okay, now understanding the deposit scenario, understanding the withdrawal scenario of the zbit.com, how you need, what you need, and to do the zbit withdrawal and 06. One thing, ZBIT future doesn't have an option of deposit. You cannot directly deposit into the future account of your ZBIT. You cannot directly deposit. Oh, sorry, you cannot directly withdraw from there. Sorry, my bad. You cannot directly withdraw from the future account. If you, for example, in here, your future account has 100 USDT, 200, 300, 4, 5, whatever USDT you have. You cannot directly withdraw it from the future. For that, you need to do one. What you need to do is click on this transfer. Once you click on this transfer, you have to press, like from future, I want to share it to what? Spot account. You can pick your quantity, XYZ USDT, whatever USDT you want to transfer. For example, if you have 100, I want to take the 50 out of the market and blah blah. Available, it will be showing over here. Okay, this is the available USDT over here. It will get transferred where? It will get transferred into the spot market. Okay, once it is get transferred into spot market, then you come to the spot market. You will see that it is visible over here, the transfer of whatever spot from future to here. Let me just show you one thing. Okay, I will first do it from spot to this spot. Let me give 12 USDT, confirm. It is succeed. Okay, now if I just refresh this one time, you will see that my future account, see, this is a future account, this is a future. In my future, I have received that 12 USDT which I had in my spot USDT. Okay, so spot available balance came over here. Now if you want to withdraw this complete balance of future, then again you need to do transfer, and then you need to click this arrow from future to the spot, click on this, then click on that price 12 point whatever. Let's just do 12 right now. 12, clicked confirm, and it is said succeed. Again refresh once. Now you will see that 12 is gone from the future market, and when you come to the spot market, you can clearly see that it is available at the spot market right now, that complete 12 USDT. Okay, now from this 12 USDT, what you're going to do is, can you see there is two options over here? One is deposit, one is withdraw. From that spot you can do the withdraw. Click on that withdraw option, it will take you the crypto withdraw. Click on that crypto withdraw, then click whatever currency you want to click. There are so many currencies, like I have USDT only, so I can pick USDT only. I pick that currency, and then there is a withdrawal blockchains we use, because this is not bank to bank transfer. The cryptocurrencies can be transferred only via blockchains. So these are the blockchains. We have Polygon, we have BNB Smart, we have Tron, Ethereum, and Optimism. Every of those blockchain has XYZ minimum amount and transfer fee. Okay, transfer fee as in, like some blockchain take 1 USDT, for example. You want to withdraw 5 USDT, you want to withdraw. One will be taken by the blockchain to the transfer fee. 4 you will be receiving in your end. Got it? For example, you want to withdraw 4, then 1 will be gone for the transfer and 3 you will receive. Simple. And every of those blockchain has XYZ different. Like Optimism has 1, Ethereum also has something 1, BNB is 1, but Polygon and Tron, they have 2.5 USDT. So every blockchain has different transfer fee. You will see it, like once you click on that XYZ thing, you will see that whenever you click on that minimum amount, they will show you the address as well, like for not address, the minimum amount, the transfer fee and everything. Welcome user 139650. Welcome on the live stream of zbit.com. My name is Yash, and I'll be taking care of your all the crypto issues, crypto guide, everything whatever you ask on this one platform. Okay, make sure that you are asking, and make sure that click on that live stream deposit button, because if you click via live stream deposit option, you may get a chance to get the free USDT giveaways. Okay, so make sure to use live stream function of deposit. You can see it on the comment section just below, just beside the comment section. There are two options. If one is deposit and one is take a trade. Click on the deposit. If you haven't done a deposit till now, click on the deposit. The more you deposit, the more better trades I will give it to you to earn a good amount of profit. Okay, good. So after that, you just pick your whatever XYZ blockchain. Prefer Optimism, it is fast and it is takes the most less amount of transfer fee. Then click on your wallet address, whatever XYZ wallet address you are having over here. Click on that wallet address. Click on like whatever address you are having, network and blah blah. Enter address, enter node, and add it. That's all. And then add the amount of the withdrawal, what you want to amount. You can see, like at the moment when you even don't enter the amount, at the box you will see greater than or equal to some number. That number is actually your minimum amount to withdraw. Okay, this is your minimum amount to withdraw. Most of the people ask, like, what is the minimum amount of withdraw? Once you click on that withdraw amount, there will be some logo, like one sign like less than equal to, like this, and there will be one number, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, like something like this. Okay, that is your the most minimum amount. What happened? Yeah, that is the most minimum amount you can withdraw from that XYZ coin. Got it? USDT or BTC or Tron, everybody has different. The USDT minimum right now is 5. You can withdraw minimum, the most minimum you can withdraw is 5 USDT, out of which transfer will be 1. So you will be getting 4 in your hand, 1 will be gone to the blockchain. Simple. Okay, now next thing is for withdraw, sorry, deposit. So deposit you can do from the both side. If you want to do deposit from the spot, you can do the deposit from the spot as well. If you want to deposit in the future account, you can just click on the deposit over here and you can deposit from the future to the future account directly as well. But withdrawal is only from the spot. And if you are having balance in the future, you can transfer that balance to the spot account. It is possible as well. Welcome user 475757. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Okay, so deposit, just click on the deposit. It will again show you the same thing, that kind of what kind of currency you want to deposit. USDT, obviously all the people deposit USDT only. But if you have, for example, if you have in some exchange you used to trade, and in that trade exchange you have BTC, you have Ethereum, you have Sol, you have Doge, or whatever you have in some other exchange, if you want to transfer that, you can do that as well. Click on this, again same thing, click on the network, whatever network you want to put, click on that, and then you can get this address. Just copy paste that address in the sent address of your whatever flat or wherever you are depositing, or either you can just simply scan and do XYZ. Okay, the minimum deposit amount is what? 0.01 USDT. You cannot deposit less than that. Okay, so deposit is minimum is 0.01. You can just simply copy paste and it will show you deposit to where? Future. If you want to change it, you can change from here as well. You can pick spot and it will deposit to spot. If you want to change it to future, you can change it to the future wallet. Okay, simple, very easy to understand. This is the process of the deposit and the withdrawal at the zbit.com. Cool. Okay. Cool. I have made you understood everything in the Zbit. You can pick, see, this is your reward center. Whatever reward is left, you can just enter the lottery and blah blah. You can click on this. See, zero chances means I've already taken it. If you invite you to participate, the price of free lottery 100% win. Okay, it is actually 100% win. No draw attempt left available. Either I have to download the new to gain more or something like that. I have already used it. I've already got something XYZ. So this is that lucky spin. I told you, right? That lucky spin is there. You will be getting a lucky spin in you. This is that lucky spin which has XYZ amount of coins. See, you can get 2 Bitcoin. There is Shiba Inu. There is Pepe. There is Dogecoin. There are Solana. There is XRP, and there is Ethereum. 2 Bitcoin, one is of 0.001 and one is of 0.0001. Ethereum size is 0.1, Solana size is 0.001, XRP size is 0.01, 0.1, and Pepe is 10,000, Shiba Inu 10,000, Dogecoin is 1 Dogecoin. Okay. These are the options of the meme coin, stable coin, and altcoin which you will be getting for free. Free, completely free. Okay, this is the token which you'll be getting. Got it? And in here you can check about us as well, like a complete journey of our. You can see the license. Our regulator license is from where? License from South Africa. License of financial services. Regulator is financial sector conduct authority. Blah blah blah. You will see everything. Nothing is hidden. That's what I'm saying. The Zbit is the most legitimate app for doing the crypto exchange. You can check out our license, everything, our mission, our vision, our value, everything at one app. Got it. Let's come to the app now. Let's come to our platform. Let's see what market is doing today and what kind of trade we can take today. Okay. Yesterday, I gave you one trade at somewhere around the liquidity zone. I told you that again it will come back, and like I said to you, it came back to that zone again. We'll just plot those zones which is acting as a liquidity zone at right now point. We are watching the market again and again, again and again, coming to that one zone a lot of time. Now, what is that zone? First zone is made over here. This is that one small supply zone. Okay, this is that zone which is again and again getting tapped into the market. One time it got tapped, second time and third time as well, market going up. If market is touching one zone more than 2 to 3 times, that means it is a liquidity zone where market is trying to find either scam you people in thinking that I'm going to go up or I'm going to go down and it will reverse the position, or it will just that there is some like a lot of stop losses or liquidity zone where market can grab a lot of money. Okay, so these are the three. These are the liquidity zone. We are at right now point at the liquidity zone, and there is no such things like, see, we have got the supply, but we don't have the demand zone. We don't know if the market falls from there till where it market can fall. We know this one thing: if the market goes up, till where it can goes up, that we can know. Like I've shown you this thing also in the day time frame when I saw in the BTC. First was this. On a daytime we can clearly see that market started to go up. Market started to make an lower high situation where it is ready to go upside and can make another lower high and fall down or go up depending on the situation what we are looking at it to. I will go in the 4 hour. 4 hour demand zone I need. I want to see till where a market can go, till where, if it starts falling, till where it can fall. This is one, and this is two. This one never respected. Let's not make this one. This one was respected. We'll make it in a green color. That's our 4 hour demand. So, got it? Simple. This 1 hour fair value gap.
My chat got disconnected one second. Let me the chat. 95530. Do we have any divergence? Mhm. No divergence. A very little one, but I don't consider it as a divergence. One is this, one is this. In here, if we look, and the direction is down. And here, if we look, the same direction is up. From that, we got direction, divergence, and we got the mark. Now we are at the range of 56 and falling. Divergence is used already. Should we wait? Should we wait? Should we wait? Structure. Two things I'm thinking of. See, we are at the zone. That's a liquidity zone where market went again, and from there it started to fall. Every time market went to that zone, market was falling. Agreed. One time it went, second time it went, fall, third time is also starting to fall. But that's where liquidity trap is all about. That it will make you think that from that point I am falling, but then it will go above. And in here we have, it's not a big but a small zone for where the money can enter in the market. I want to risk one thing for entering for the short sell till the point of 95540. Slowly. Support is also rising. Slowly, support is also rising. Welcome user 358915. Welcome. I waited for just 5 minutes so that I can enter the next candle. I want to observe this candle because this candle, either if it starts falling on the same reaction of like market is going to that liquid zone falling, but I think that this next candle will give something opposite reaction. Third time is not the charm, second time is a charm, first time is a charm, third time is not the charm. Third time it may be the fall or the rise. But if I want to enter, I will enter for the sell side, and that too for this price 9595 range. How much? Almost 0.80% of the market. Not that much, but still something. I want a push from the buyers at this point. I need the push from the buyer side. Once a little push from the buyer side comes, at least the half of this candle, then I can enter. But again, if I enter for the buy side for the sell side from this point, at this point, we enter for the sell side to the target of this because of the FPG over here, and also there is a demand. There is some zone which can grab the liquidity. But chance of reversal not respected. Respected but thrown. This is what I want, like a buyer push. Not big, but yes. Welcome user 351006. Risky place to enter. Let's observe a market a little. No structure to define. Welcome user 495224. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming to this live stream. I'm finding live trade for you. Waiting for the perfect moment to find a trade because there is two calculations going in my head or two different directions. I want to confirm one direction first. One I want to confirm go for sell, but again, whatever about the liquid trap, and 1 hour I go for buy, but again then there are so many zones above. But trust me, if the market taps to this zone, taps to somewhere around this zone of 96, 97, somewhere around here, I will definitely go for, even if I lose a lot of money, that is totally fine. I will definitely go for sell from this side. And my ultimate target I will keep is this. It might take 3 days, 4 days, 5 days to achieve this target, but this target will be achieved, I feel. And that's way market will make this in a day time frame. If we look, then the market will make like that higher low thing. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Like this. The market will make. Hmm. If this starts falling, I want it to fall till here, till this line. Let's do experiment. Upbit operator, Dynamo post 165 million in profit in quarter three, up in 300 of the year. Bitcoin sentiment reaches worst level since February as panic becomes extreme. Scaramucci family invested over 100 million in Trump's Bitcoin mining farm. Analyst black Analyst backs Bitcoin rally to 170 if support remains intact. This 4 hours of support. Wide gap between XRP and Solana investor interest. Let's check Solana or even XRP. See, this makes sense. This is like BTC. This doesn't make that sense, but it's Ethereum makes sense. And giving an conditions for a chart pattern which looks like and a triangle ascending triangle chart. See, we can see something like this. Can you see something like this? High at the same level, something around the same level high is at, and support is gradually going up, going up, going up. We see same movement, same structure. High is at somewhere at the same level, and support is gradually going up, going up, going up, going up. Soon we may have a breakout for Ethereum for upward, and also same, not exactly, but yeah, kind of a same structure. Liquidity is taking at the same price zone. This is the same price zone where liquidity is taking, and support is gradually rising up. That's why I made this support line is gradually rising up, and the resistance is at a very same zone, which looks like an ascending triangle chart pattern for us, which can give us a very good buy entry. See, like this. I'm not saying it's exactly the same level, the resistance is exactly at the same level, but it can differ, that doesn't matter at all. But support is gradualizing and is forming that pattern from where we can have the breakout entry. Mhm. an ascending triangle chart pattern, not descending, ascending, which can generate the chance of a good buy entry. But right now it is falling, so it may can fall maybe till here, maybe till here. Let's go for a buy entry in the Ethereum. Sorry, sell entry in the Ethereum. There is one very easy sell target of the Ethereum. We will capture that easy sell target. Okay. Very easy sell target will capture. Let's capture the sell target and we'll keep our profit at this point. Small profit, but very easy. Easy sell target we can achieve. That's all. Bitcoin as well. I want to enter till this line. This line is, I feel the target can be there. I want to enter at sell for Bitcoin as well by that one. Example like this till here. Two trade, two small trade, not big one, but two very small trade because we have that zone. Leave that thing. Let's make that so. Mm, Welcome user 310933. I've given you sell trades. Not that very accurate, but yes, you can take a very small amount of target from here. You can take this one sell trade of BTC Ethereum, and the target will be 13178. And for the BTC, the target will be 95533. 95533 will be the target. Ethereum is looking good. Till that point, like very small target we can achieve, very easily we can achieve. Come on, let's go and take the trade. Click on that trade option, take the trade, click on the deposit option as much as you can, and let's take the trade. Let's watch our trade going on. It's an ascending triangle chart pattern which will give us a breakout for above side, but I have entered for the sell side because from there it is taking a resistance. So this is the R1, this is R2, and this is the R3. After maybe R4 can give us a breakout for above side, but right now it has not, so we won't consider as it. R3 is taking for the downside, so it will carry on with this movement like this, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and maybe this can give us a breakout over here. Maybe the distance between R1 and R1 and S1 is almost 5.43%. So we can expect the market can go from the breakout. Let's see from where the 5.43% comes. Fine, somewhere around here we can see the market can come to 3421. We can see the market come to, but right now let's go for sell side because it is not going to happen today. Maybe tomorrow the breakout may happen tomorrow, but this is, yes, for sure this is an ascending triangle chart pattern forming over here. This is ascending triangle chart pattern forming, right? Welcome user 139650. I've given you Ethereum trade. I can see ascending triangle chart pattern which gives you breakout for above side for the buy side, but right now it has made their R3 which is resistance third and started to fall down. So you can go for the sell trade. You can keep your take profit at 3178.74. That can be your take profit. Really close. We are actually close to achieve that profit. We will achieve that profit soon. Even in the BTC I have taken the same thing. This is the BTC trade. This is my that zone for making that triangle chart pattern, which is somewhere around here. Let's put it over here. This is that again the same ascending triangle chart pattern which it's forming. We have 4 hour of demand zone, and then we have okay. Let's see, we have still 42 minutes left for that candle to close. We will observe this candle, we'll see. $139 profit. We are having almost $144 profit in the BTC market. I hope everybody is taking a trade at right now moment. So this is a good moment for you to earn a good amount of profit. Ethereum is going for $47 profit. Bitcoin is having a better profit than Ethereum, obviously, because of the value it carries. 107. BTC target is BTC target is 95550. 95550 is a BTC target, and Ethereum is target is 3178. 3178 is the Ethereum target. Go for sell side. These are your target points. I hope people are taking trades. I hope people are investing into the market right now, taking a trade, because this is a very profitable trade for all of you people. Do not forget to take these trades. Welcome user 888594. I have given you a BTC trade in which we are already $236 plus. So make sure to gain a good amount of profit. I have said you all of those time that I give you live trades. When I give you live trade, do the bigger deposit so that you can use a bigger trade, a safe trade. I won't make your money go loss. Okay. So tap on the market, tap on the take a trade, and take a trade with me. $249 already plus. I want to be a greedy person over here. I want to drag my this thing more down. I don't know why. I just want to be a greedy person. But you can keep a safe target. I can risk it. It's totally fine. I want to risk my target a little. But you can keep your safe target. Okay, that is totally fine. 300, 300, 300, 300, 300. I just don't know why I feel like at any point that candle is gonna reverse. At any point that candle is gonna reverse. Because we are at the liquidity zone. 3 times the market has fallen from there. It won't fall more than that time. We may can have that position like a lot of people will go for sell side, sell side, sell side, and boom, and that's the point from where the market will reverse and throw everybody in the minus, where the people will go in the buy side, and then again it will make its fall. That's how the liquid trap works in the market. So, but right now you can go for the sell side because it's the safe trade. Trust me on this. Tap on the charge, tap on the deposit, make more deposit, and make more take trades. $641 USDT is my target price. I've already achieved 425 from it. Let's see more. We can get more. If I achieve my that previous the first target, which is of 959, sorry, 95550, then we can go for more bigger one. Ugender, welcome back, Ugender, on the live stream of Zbit. I have given you trade like I gave you 20 minutes ago. We are already $478 plus on it. The target I gave you, the safe target is achieved already, but I extended my target a little for a sell side. BTC future sell side target we have to take. Okay, do not forget that the BTC future sell side target we have to take. Ethereum, our target is achieved in Ethereum and it is falling more. Ethereum, we already got our profit and it is still getting achieved. Bitcoin will remain focused on. We'll extend our Bitcoin's profit a lot. We'll extend this. Let me extend it more. 700. 700. Okay. 482 already got. 700 still remaining. Let's see. Your previous, like I said to you, the safe target is achieved already. Safe target got achieved. But I extended my target because I want to have more money. More money. Don't have things. Don't have rejection from that exact line. See, exactly from that line, the rejection is started to happen. The line I drew, the trend line I drew over here. Can you see the trend line over here? This is my trend line, and from that point, exactly the little rejection started to happen. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see more. See, it's still falling, still falling. I want it to fall more. If it comes, if we see the trajectory, it will come somewhere around here. 9.5, which is somewhere over here, which is 95101. If I take my target to 95101, it will be somewhere around 900 something USDT. Let's keep it. It can come to that moment. 95136. 95136. That I extended my new target. Because if it's giving me profit, then why not? If it's giving me more and more and more, then why should I wait? Why shall I not extend my profit? Why shall I not extend my target? 591 achieved. Any major news? BTC hit the death cross, and there are only two scenarios by top analysts. I want to see what are the two scenarios for the top analysts. BTC has officially formed a death cross on the daily chart, a green signal that usually appears when the market is suddenly heavy downside pressure. This time the formation came after several weeks of October and November that pushed down the price to 100 level. The crossover itself is familiar. The crossover form the shorter moving average sliding under the longer one, but in the Bitcoin's history, it has worked as the clear timing maker, the kind that tells you whether the market is sitting near a forming base or whether it is still has a room to fall more. Benjamin and price situation has two signals both tied up to the narrow time frame. He pointed out that there is an early cycle when the broader trend was still functioning. Bitcoin did not wait around the death cross. The reaction usually showed up in the week. Things. Okay, first scenario is here. A quick rebound that does not need a special interpretation simply because the constructive response to the past arrived without delay. Second scenario could cover what happens in the reaction. Not here. Cohen noted that those cases Bitcoin typically moved before attempting a recovery, that the bounce that followed usually blah blah blah. From that one fair value gap itself, the rejection started to happen. Welcome user 602195. Welcome again, Ogender. Welcome again. My target is achieved. I just extended my more profit because I need more profit. My target was this line, this line. In here, I got almost 500 USDTs. You can see here, you can see over here. The moment my target is over here, you can see it's almost 500 USDT over here. But I extended more because I feel it can go more, which can be my bad decision or can be a good decision. It looks like a bad decision over here because see how fast, how very sudden fast rejection is happening from the fair value gap of this. This is that gap from where rejection is happening. Exactly from there. The gap between three candle is called as fair value gap. Okay. But I'm still in the hope, still in the hope of getting better profit, still in the hope of getting a better profit, still. And I will keep hoping that thing. Come on, do the deposit. The rich. We still have option. Okay, I'm not saying that it won't go, but rejection is happening. So 50-50 scenario, but still there is an option that we can achieve a profit. That 900 USDT profit. Right now it's at 480. 480 is the profit. I want to achieve 900. More 500. I want to add it to the profit. More. 25 minutes still left for that candle to close. That one candle gave us such a good reaction. That one candle gave us such a good profit. It's always about the movement. It's always about the timing. Like how good you can analyze the market, how good you can find out a trade in the market. Knowing market analysis can give you a very good opportunity to enter in the markets. 20 minutes more left. 23 23 minutes more left. Started to see some big rejections, but not that big to reverse this position. With just one user with us, user 353445. I hope you are taking profit from the market. This is a very good moment to take a profit from the market. My hopes are that it will go and touch that trend line. That trend line should be touched. That's my main hope. 20 minutes left for that candle to close. 20-minute more good movement we can maybe see. 496 500 USDT is already achieved. We are required to achieve more 400. That is what I'm aiming for. 19 more minutes to go. We will see what kind of movement can we achieve. Welcome again, Ogendra Singh on the live stream. And he left. 95136 was the profit, but $525 still now achieved. 544. Come on, let's go. 15 minutes to go. 15 minutes to go, guys. 15 minutes to go for this candle close, because this is that candle which can give us that movement. Maybe the next candle can reverse it. This is the candle I'm putting my all hopes in, that this the candle will give us a movement, a very great movement. 586, 581. 581, 589, 570. Okay, okay. Come on, give me 600. Give me 600. I know you got it. I know you got it. No, you got it. I know you got it. Welcome user 621333 from Nigeria. Welcome back. Sovik, आप किस में ट्रेड करते हो? I trade in BTC, brother. Sovik, I trade in BTC. BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Solana. $569. Let's go. More 5 minutes. 545. Be attentive at the live stream, because this being attentive on the live stream will get you a lot of good profits. There are experts sitting over here which can give you a good amount of profit to take the trade. So do not forget that thing. Welcome users 169546. Still having the profit. Rejections are not that good. That means sellers are still active on the trade. We can see that sellers are still active. Buyers don't have that great rejection. It's a seller's trade. Okay, 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes, guys. Last 3 minutes. 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 This is chart patterns are very important for all of you guys to know, because these chart patterns can give you very easy trades. It's like not even knowing what's happening in the market, that's fine. If you can found like some triangles, some alphabets, some head and shoulder patterns on the market, and boom, you can achieve a good amount of profit with the help of those. It's very simple. I don't understand why you wait for not to enter in the market, or why you are not entering into the market. Why with just this very simple stuffs? Just by understanding the chart pattern, just you can achieve 101%, 2%, 3% in the market. Welcome user 681361. I have entered in the trade of BTC sell future, making almost 500 USDT, but I'm aiming for 901. You came late to enter in the market. Mm-hmm. 478. 478. Okay. So, all the users, this is a hardly request from all of you people that take an advantage of this live stream. This live stream is for such kind of profit which you can make as well. Like the same way I am making, the same way you can make as well. But all you need to do is ask on this live stream, be attentive on this live stream, come to the live stream and be a part of a CBIT live, so that you can achieve that profit as well with the under a surveillance, not surveillance, but under and guidance of an expert, under the guidance of somebody who can tell you what to do in the market, at what point, what how much market you can gain the profit of every of those things. You can learn from these points. Why I don't understand, like you have an opportunity to learn something, then why waste time in not learning, right? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I will close my trade at 500. 500 close. I cannot wait for more because my time is cold. Some other person will come over here now. So I want you all of people to understand this one thing, that this live stream is regarding an educational purpose. It is for your better good. That if you just come and you just go, that's not going to make any of your education, any of your knowledge increase. If you don't initiate the conversation of asking what is this, what is that, and be 100% to that question as well, like being attentive, being there, learning stuffs. It won't be just like you're coming, you ask something and you went, while I'm speaking on something like the one which I'm speaking to you only. These things won't do good. So for making yourself understand XYZ situation, you have to give your 100%. It's like you're just taking your chance waste. So I'll be back again tomorrow by 12 to 4. I hope tomorrow you will start understanding situations, that what you need to do on this live stream. This is an education purpose live stream where you can learn trading, where you can take the trades with me as well. Today I earned in front of you. Since 3 days I'm on the profit. First day I earned like almost 1,444. Then next day was something, I closed my trade early, but still 300 to $400. Today again $500. You can see how good a profit you can make when you trade with me. So deposit a good amount when you are on the live stream with me. Deposit and take a trade with a good amount when you're live stream with me. Cool. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is my time. Thank you so much for being on a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming.